So good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining this career guidance session on this Saturday morning. The only agenda of the today's session is all about giving you the good clarity. So this session is being conducted by AJSD Academy and DigiKAS India Private Limited. AJSD Academy, a Salesforce authorized trailblazer workforce partner, and DigiKAS India company is a Salesforce and Zogo CRM implementation, a software IT company. Okay, that's a brief about them. This is about myself. Myself, Ashok. I'm the founder and CEO of AJSD Academy and DigiKAS India Private Limited. So you can very well connect with me in LinkedIn, and this is my profile. So if you go and visit for Ashok Raj Rajendran, you can find me and we can connect over LinkedIn. So I started my career in TCS back in 2014 as a Siebel developer, Siebel as a CRM. Then I moved to Salesforce. Then I worked for an organization called Sopra Steria, D4 Insight, and then we have founded this organization, DigiKAS and AJSD. So DigiKAS India Private Limited is a software company. Primarily, we are focusing on Salesforce implementations and Zogo CRM implementation. And this AJSD Academy is an exclusive Salesforce training academy. We started in 2018 and it's been close to 8 years. We have touched close to 5,000 plus people, right? So that's a brief about me. So as I requested, we request everyone, please be active on chat. Okay. Could you please send a hi message? And myself, I'm connecting from Chennai. So where you are connecting from, you can just put it in the chat. Say, for example, if you are someone from Chennai or Bangalore, you just put it from where you are connecting. Just to ensure the chat is active and we are able to interact. I could see a lot of Chennai. Is this recording available in Zogo Click? Recording session is enabled. Yes, the recordings are available. Okay, fine. Okay, I see Tirunelveli, Vizag, Pune, Maharashtra, Kohalpur. Good. Maharashtra, Buldana, Assam, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Chennai, Canada. Good to see that. Throughout this session, we are going to interact via chat because we have mentioned earlier, this is going to be a kind of 3 hours of live sessions, right? So throughout the session, it's going to be not going to be a kind of a one directional. We are going to ask a lot of questions to you and we expect the response from you. That response help us to understand whether you get the clarity or not. I could see from Vijayawada, Delhi, Mayiladuthurai, Chennai, Hyderabad. Good. Happy to see you all. Close to 75 participants are here. Good to see you all here. Good. Fine. This entire session we are going to conduct in English, but don't worry. There are people who speak native Tamil. Unfortunately, we don't speak English, Telugu, Malayalam and ஸோ உங்களை யாருக்காவது தமிழ்ல கான்செப்ட் திரும்ப சொல்லி தரணும் ஆர் தமிழ்ல உங்களோட டவுட்ஸை வந்து கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணணும் பட்சத்துல we are happy to answer all your questions at the end of the session in Tamil as well. Okay, so if somebody here எனக்கு தமிழ்ல சொல்ல நல்லா இருக்குன்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா உங்களோட டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. எண்ட் ஆஃப் த செஷன் ஐ வில் ஸ்டே பேக். நான் கண்டிப்பா இருப்பேன். உங்களுக்கான எல்லா கொஸ்டின்ஸும் ஐ கேன் ஆன்சர் இன் இங்கிலீஷ் and I will also answer in Tamil as well. Okay, good. This is a quick overview of what exactly you are going to get out of this 2.5 hours or 3 hours session. You'll definitely get the understanding about the business. What is more important for business? What is CRM? What is Salesforce? How Salesforce CRM, that's what we call as IT, helps business. And we are also going to give you the Salesforce project demo. And how by acquiring the Salesforce knowledge, you are going to get the high paid salary. In market, there are so many options you got to get into IT. There are so many options, right? But still, why you should choose Salesforce? and Salesforce career roles. What are the different career roles? What are the salary structure and the scope of Salesforce career? And yes, at the end, we are going to conduct a quiz and a live career guidance one-to-one session. In the end of the session, we enable video and audio for you. You can interact with me in live at the end of the session. We can discuss and we will clarify all your queries. So stay till end of the session. We got few surprise rewards for all the people who stay end of the session, and we disclose what is the rewards for all the people. Only for those who stay till end, you can get that one. Okay, fine. So a quick of who we are, what we are doing. So it's a quick one we want to share here. So ours started in 2013 inside a home. It began as a AJ soft skill training, a home tuition teaching basic English communication and computer skills for school students in Mayiladuthurai. It was started by Ashok, me, a freshly graduate college student, no big plan, no big money, just a passion for teaching. This passion started early. From school days, I loved teaching and learning. I was a peer educator, learning new things and sharing them with friends. In college, this continued. I trained my classmates and juniors in aptitude, communication, and of course on confidence. Teaching was never forced. It came naturally. Though I was an IT professional who worked with a different organizations like TCS, Sopra Steria and others, I also worked with many renowned social welfare organizations serving people from different backgrounds. These experiences gave me a clear understanding of society, human values, people's struggle, the gaps and the silent potential in people who just needed the right guidance. That's when a strong thought took a root. We must contribute to the society in a meaningful way. In 2017, we started Salesforce Training as a non-profit fundraising initiative to support the education of underprivileged children. Later, to continue and scale the impact, we moved to a commercial model without changing our values. We started with just 4 students training from a home in Neelangarai. 4 become 8, 8 become 16, and those students got placed and their success spoke for us. In 2018, we registered our company as a DigiKAS India Private Limited to work on real Salesforce projects, industry solutions, and corporate training. Due to COVID operations slowed down, but the vision stayed alive. In 2022, DigiKAS restarted stronger, focused on real-time Salesforce project development, and AJSD was registered as a separate entity called AJSD Academy LLP to focus exclusively on Salesforce training. In 2022, we reached an important milestone. Yes, AJSD opened its first office and training academy in Chennai. We started with 1 floor. Due to the growing demand for exclusive Salesforce training, we expanded and took another floor for training. Recently, we also opened a separate office for DigiKAS in Thoraipakkam, focused only on Salesforce project and customer solutions. We also hired some of our AJSD trained learners who are now working on real client projects. As we worked closely with learners, we learned something important. Technical skills alone not enough. So we added life skills in our training program like meditation, journaling, book reading and activities to improve the communication, presentation and other soft skills. These help learners to grow not just their careers but also as confident, disciplined individuals. Let me tell you one story that explains our vision clearly. A college graduate from a small village nearby Tirunelveli, his father sold mithai, his mothers and sister rolled BDs for their livelihood. He joined our training program and he got placed, yes. But after a few years of his hard work, he bought a house for his family. He even bought a car. Today, he supports the global Salesforce customers. Seeing his growth, people in his street, they started believing and they joined the Salesforce training and they started changing their family stories. There are also mothers with 20 years, 90 years, 15 years of career gap who were trained by us and transformed their lives. For them, this was not just about the job. It was about self-esteem, confidence and identity. We are proud to have created many such of transformation. In 2025, AJST was authorized by Salesforce as a Trailblazer Workforce Partner and we got listed in the Salesforce Workforce Partner website. This strategic partnership helped our interns to receive Salesforce certification coupons, attend Salesforce career fairs and getting placed in the top companies like Deloitte. In the same year, we were invited to attend the All India Salesforce Workforce Development Summit, an exclusive event conducted only for top Salesforce Training Academy across the countries. In 2021, we hired our first full-time employee, but today we proudly work with 25 associates who share the same value and purposes. At present, 60 plus learners are getting trained offline in Chennai. 600 learners are learning from online from 20 plus countries across the world exclusively in Salesforce. So far, we have upskilled 5,000 plus learners globally. Our vision is simple: to transform the lives, uplifting generations, and build a strong community that inspire others through accessible and affordable education. AJSD is not just a training academy, it's a place where belief is built. Welcome to AJ Skill Development Academy. Today you just didn't join a program, you choose to believe in yourself, and your story could be the one that inspires many more. Okay, that's a quite brief about us. And yeah, in 2022, I quit my job and started this academy as a full time out of the passion for training that still continues. Fine. So, question to you all who joined here today. Ilaya, so you're all here for one reason that you know, I know, but still, let me ask, how many of you are quite genuine about why did you join here? Put it in the chat. Just put it in the chat why you are here. The ultimate aim of this session, this live session, is to give you the clarity about many things. Okay, so that clarity begins only by asking the right question, and when you started answering, I can also get that whether you are getting the clarity or not. Kindly put it in the chat whether the question is why you are here. Why you are here. Job transition to get more knowledge. I joined and shared knowledge to them. Okay, sharing the knowledge. I'm expecting some genuine answer. Okay, let's see how many of you are giving a very genuine answer about that. Clarity, knowledge, to know what Salesforce really is. I'm here to start my career. Knowing about Salesforce, Salesforce job, uplift my lifestyle. I want to switch to IT. Seri, okay. You're all telling I need a knowledge. Seri, okay. I'm not getting the genuine answer. Question is, what you are going to do with that knowledge? Say, for example, you are here to get Salesforce knowledge. Let us assume that you are here to get Salesforce knowledge. What you are going to do with that knowledge? Why do you need that knowledge? Why do you need to know about Salesforce? என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? Salesforce பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? What you are going to do with Salesforce knowledge? Give some genuine answers, people. To start my career. Now we started getting answer. Somebody, Ranjit has given a answer. Yes. Well, let's see. Somebody, okay. I want to start my career. I want to start my career. I want to get a good job. Yes, you are here to know about Salesforce. Why do you know? Why you should know about Salesforce? To get a job. Next question: why do you need a job? Please answer that genuinely. Why do you need a job? What you are going to do with the job? You are saying that I want to start my career. I'm joining this session. What you are going to do with your job?
In that you can do Q&A.
People, put it on mute. Organizers, please put yourself on mute. To land in a job, to restart my career. Answer early. We are not getting answers. Why do you need a job? Last answer I received on 9/18. What are you going to do with the job? Put it in the chat. Whether is there any characters, limitations is there? No. Okay. But you need a job because you need a money. That's the true answer. Ilaya. At least maybe if you have reactions options, right? You can give thumbs up. At least I can understand. Yes, you got the clarity. Everybody need a job. You need a job. I need a job. Why? We need a job to get money. End of the day, you are here not to gain Salesforce knowledge. You are here not to know how to get the job. You are here to know how can I earn money. Ashok, I need money, so I need a job. I need a job, so I need a knowledge. I need a knowledge, so I'm joining this session. So this session is directly related to money. That's it, right? With that clarity, let's move on. That you are become a Salesforce developer, or you become a Salesforce administrator, or become some software professional, like Java developer, or whoever it is, you are getting a salary. You join a company and you are getting a salary. Somebody is hiring you, somebody is hiring you and paying you the salary, right? Have you ever wondered why are they paying you? Why they are paying you? If somebody paying you 20,000, 30,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh as a salary, right? That must be the reason, that must be the reason why they should pay you. Question is, suppose if they are paying you 50,000 salary, if they are paying 50,000 monthly salary, 1 lakh per salary, how are they earning the money? Only if they earn the money, they can give it to you. How are they earning the money? That's a question. Another question is, how long can they continue paying you the salary? How long? Salary how long they can continue paying the salary? See, if you are here to know how to earn money, how to earn salary, how to get a job, you also should have the clarity of if you are going to work for someone, why they are paying you and how they are earning the money, how long they can give you that money. This is the clarity you should have at the end of this session. Because unless and until you have this clarity, there is no point you gaining some knowledge or gaining some skill. Okay, fine. So this is what we are going to see. But in the meantime, let me check whether the chat thing is resolved or not. The last chat we see here is 9:18. I'm not seeing any other chat. People, organizer, please try to fix this one. Try to fix the chat thing. People are not able to put it in the chat. Maybe you can check the settings. All right, fine. So let's move on with the slide. So let's do one thing. Enna பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா, everyone, I'm asking everyone, just go to Google and search about hiring in Salesforce like this. Let's do this activity. Quickly do the activity. Let me go here. I'm searching like Accenture hiring Salesforce developer. You see, there are so many jobs. Salesforce administrator. I'm seeing a lot of opening. Accenture is hiring. Similarly, TCS hiring Salesforce administrator, Salesforce business analyst. There are so many Salesforce jobs. Look at that. Deloitte hiring business analyst or Deloitte hiring Salesforce developer. என்ன நடக்குதுங்க எனக்கு பாருங்க. Looks like there are companies hiring Salesforce developers, Salesforce administrators. Question is, why they are hiring you? What they are going to do with you? Let me check once again in the chat whether you are able to post it in the chat. Why they are hiring, or do one thing until we resolve the chat issue. Maybe you can raise your hand. Maybe I can unmute you and you can answer this question. Why these companies are hiring us? Okay, we got Nitya. Okay, Nitya, let me unmute Nitya. Yes, Nitya. You can talk, Nitya. You can unmute and speak, Nitya. Why do you think these companies are hiring us? Nitya, you can speak. Okay, looks like Nitya is having some trouble. Okay, Anusha, you can speak, Anusha. You can unmute yourself and speak, Anusha. Looks like people are not. Nitya, you're still listening. You can unmute and speak. Nitya, Anusha, Abhishek, you can unmute and speak.
Sir, can you hear me? I'm audible now.
You're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, and thank
Good
you for
morning.
giving me the opportunity. to join.
Yes, Nitya.
Yeah.
The question is why they are hiring us. Hmm.
Sir, I'm getting solution from us for customization that Salesforce application.
Okay, okay. So they're looking for some solution from us. Okay, okay. Anything else?
And
Hmm.
get a profit and they get a business solution.
Check.
I
Okay.
think.
All right, Nitya. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for that. Okay. You can mute. You can mute yourself. Let's check this. Why they are hiring us? Let's check this. Organizers, in the meantime, try to fix the chat issue. Okay. But you need this clarity. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. You can just thumbs up. If somebody is hiring you, assume that TCS is hiring you, Wipro is hiring you. Look at the left side. What they are doing, somebody is hiring you and giving the ID card. You are இன்று முதல் நீங்கள் TCS employee. From today you onwards, you are TCS employee. You are a Deloitte employee, Wipro employee. What they are doing, they are hiring you, giving them the ID card. They put you in some project. What is that project? என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட்ங்க அதுன்னு பார்த்தா, the project is resolve the problem of some businesses. There are business, they have few problems. They are hiring you to resolve their business problem. யாருங்க இந்த business? Who are all the business? அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். Let's take a quick look. What is this? Ford. Ford, what business they are doing? They are doing car, they are the car manufacturers. Their business is selling the car. Look at this. What is this business? Banking. What is their business? They are doing banking as the business. AXA. What is this AXA is all about? AXA is an insurance company. Like that, there are so many business around the world. இல்லையா நிறைய business இருக்குல்ல. So what exactly these IT companies are doing, they are hiring you, they put you in a project that support those business. They just don't think that TCS is hiring you and you are working for TCS. Deloitte is hiring you, you are working for Deloitte. No, you are not going to work for Deloitte, you are not going to work for TCS. You are going to work for, say for example, if Ford is the company, TCS or a company, I mean, Ford is the business which is supported by TCS now. You will be working for Ford. You will be working for AXA Insurance. You will be working for Citibank. With your knowledge and skill, you resolve the problem of the business that helps the business to generate lot of revenue. That's it. If the business generates lot of revenue, from that revenue, it will give it to the IT company. Look at here. It will give it to the IT company. From that IT company pay you the salary. It's very simple concept. So looks like the IT companies act as a bridge between you and the business. You are actually going to work for the business. Maybe outside you can call yourself, I'm a TCS employee, Wipro employee, Deloitte employee. என்ன வேணா நீங்க சொல்லிக்கலாம். You can call it yourself as a software engineer, I'm working for TCS. But if you go inside, you are not going to work for TCS. You are going to work for one business. And what is your primary work is resolving the business problem. By resolving the business problem, you are helping the business to generate more revenue, and that business will pay the IT company and you will get paid. Is in the clarity purida? If you are able to understand this, just put a thumbs up. Okay, cool, fine. Let's move on to the next one. Ipa, let me show you. See, as I told, right, if you search for DigiKAS.in, DigiKAS is an IT company. This is what 2018 we started this IT company, and they're all our customers. What you see in the screen, they're all our customers, which means we are serving to them. They are our business. One such customer is QM sales. Okay, let's check what is this QM sales. Who are they? Go to Google and search for QM sales. QM sales is a seals manufacturing company. For factory and all, they are manufacturing in the Mala seals manufacture. If you look at that, you see seals. Okay, they are manufacturing the seals and they are giving to the factories. QM sales is our customer, DigiKAS customer. So QM sales has a problem. QM sales has a problem. Says that they are receiving a lot of business. They are receiving a lot of inquiries in the contact us section. Okay, they're receiving a lot of inquiries. They want to send a brochure. They want to send the brochure. They want to send the invoice to the customers. QM customers. They are not able to do, and they need a help. They have a problem with them. Okay, what they did, they approached DigiKAS. What we have done, we hired Money Megalai. Look at this. If you go to DigiKAS LinkedIn, we hired a person called Money Megalai. Money Megalai is one of AJSD intern, AJSD trainee, having huge career gap. We hired her. And we give her a DigiKAS ID card and we placed her with QM sales. Look at this slide. This is what happened with Money Megalai. Hired Money Megalai and QM sales approached us to resolve the business problem. We, DigiKAS, act as a bridge between Money Megalai and QM sales. We hired her. We asked her to go to QM sales and resolve the business. We also trained her. So now QM sales enna pannanga, they are able to resolve the business problem. So what they are doing, they are paying DigiKAS. They are not paying directly Money Megalai. They are paying DigiKAS. It was a 3-month project. Money Megalai worked for QM sales. QM sales paid DigiKAS. Then DigiKAS going to pay Money Megalai. After 3 months, DigiKAS started working for one another customers. After 4 months, we start work for another customer. So Money Megalai is going to stay with the DigiKAS, but Money Megalai today working for QM sales. Sorry, yesterday she worked for QM sales, and today she works for different organizations. Those organizations are listed here. Charity Crossing is one another organization she is currently working for. So 3 months she works for here, 4 months work for here. So end of the day, this is the cycle where most of you are going to do. You can replace DigiKAS with the TCS, Deloitte, Wipro, whatever it is. End of the day, you are joining an IT company. The IT company going to give you an ID card, says that you are my employee. But that IT company going to place you to work for a business. That's it. This is the clarity you must have before we get into Salesforce. Because unless and until you don't have this clarity, because end of the day, why you are all here, you told I'm here to earn money. How you are going to earn money? By joining any company and by getting a job, you're going to earn money, right? But you should have the clarity how that someone is going to pay you. You must have the clarity how they are paying you. This is how they are paying you. I hope this is clear till. Do anybody have any questions still here? Just put it in the chat if the chat is available, or you can. Good. Venkat, in the meantime, please download this Canva PPT and upload in the Zogo meeting so that I can share the file directly. So why do business need IT companies? That is the question. To fulfill their technology need, to give service to everyone in hand, to solve their real problem through. Exactly. Yeah. They have problem. They have huge problems. They need IT companies to resolve the problem. Next question. Why do IT companies need you? Business need IT company, okay. Why do IT companies need you? Why they have to hire you? Pulling customers for business? Why do IT companies need you? Business have problem, need a solution. IT company provide solution. Yes, correct answer. Next question. why do IT companies need you? Why they have to hire you? உங்களை ஏன் hire பண்ணணும்? To work. We are the one who resolve the different problems. Exactly, Kranti. Yes. See, business need IT companies because business have a lot of problems. They need IT companies to resolve the problem. But who is going to resolve the problem? You are the one who joined the IT company. You are the one going to resolve the problem. That's why IT companies need you. இல்லையா? IT company that the so-called the building, glass, chair, computers cannot resolve the problem. Human, you have IT companies need you to resolve the problem for the business. So, அப்படி இருக்கும்போது, the next question is, why do if business need IT company, you now we understand IT companies need us because we are the one going to resolve the business. அப்படி இருக்கும்போது, what do they expect from you? IT companies கேக்குறேன். If somebody going to hire you அப்படின்னா, what do they expect from you? Put it in the chat. Now you understand why business need IT and now you understand why IT companies need you. Question என்னன்னா, this is a very important question for you all. That what is that IT companies expect from you? To have the skills to resolve the problem. Devadarshini, that is the right answer. Yes. If somebody is going to hire you, appadina, they are going to hire you for the skill you have. That skill should resolve the business problem. If you have a skill to resolve the business problem, IT companies are going to hire you. Period. That's it. Nothing else. In the clarity, purida. Business need IT companies to resolve their business problem. IT companies need you. And IT company hire you. எப்ப hire பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, if your skill, you got a skill, you got an experience இல்ல, with your skill and with your experience, if you are able to resolve the business problem, they will hire you. The salary you are going to get இல்ல, somebody getting 20,000, somebody getting 50,000, somebody getting 1 lakh, 2 lakh. What decides this salary? If you are able to solve big problem, if you are able to solve big business problem, you are going to get higher salary. If you are solving the small business problem, you are going to get the lesser salary. That's it. That's how the salaries are determined in IT industry. நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம்ல, why IT people are getting huge salary, why non-IT people are not at all getting a huge salary. That is the reason. If the business got bigger problem, they are ready to pay big money to anyone who is going to resolve the problem. In the clarity, Purida, whether you are getting this clarity, just put it in the chat. If you are able to understand and you get the clarity, just put it in the chat. Yes, that's it. But this is what something you should have the clarity before you get into Salesforce. Why, what you are going to do with the so-called IT companies and all. Good, good, good. Thank you. Let's move on. With this clarity, let's move on. Venkat, please confirm whether the slides are available. Okay, let me share here. So you need
2 minutes. If we are working on it, we will send.
Okay. So if you are having the problem solving skill, the business is going to hire you. So now the important question, the reason why you're all here. What is business? Enna pandringa? What you are going to do with the business? What is business? We are talking about business problem. இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? What is that business is all about? Put it in the chat. What is business? Who are the business? Buying, selling to make money. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச பிசினஸ்லாம் போடுங்க பாப்போம். Ashok, I think this is a business. Just put it in the chat. This is what my understanding about business. Customer solution, buying and selling, transaction between services, product. Yes. But you are sitting in some place, you are all sitting in a place, just look around, up, down, look around. Whatever you are seeing with your own eyes, everything you got here just because of business. Agree or not? If you are using a laptop, if you are using a mobile phone, if you are joining Zogo meeting, if you are drinking water, nowadays, everything is business. What is business? Answer question answer is this: everything is business. You, me cannot survive without business. Agree or not? இல்லையா? business இல்லாம உங்களால இருக்க முடியுமா? என்னால இருக்க முடியுமா? We cannot survive without business. Are we the one who cultivate our own food? Namble, we are the one going to the farm. We are the one sowing the seeds. We are the one reaping the seed. We are the one growing the plants. We are the one growing the vegetables. No, illa, not every time. At least the cloth we wear, right? You need some business. You need somebody sell the cloths. Only then you can buy. You need someone to sell the internet. Only then you can buy. You need someone to sell the water. Only then you can buy. So which means you cannot survive. I cannot survive without business. Business is everything. Yes, buying and selling the products and services are business. But in today's world, business is everything. You and me cannot survive business, right? Fine. So next move on. We understand now what is business. The question is, what is more important in business? If you remove this from the business, business cannot survive. Apdine sollalam. Any idea what is most important in business? Just put it in the chat. What is most important in business? Without this, business never exists. No business at all. Products, revenue, sales. Yeah, people started answering. It is customer. Can you name any one business without customer? Customer illama or business ungala solla mudiyuma? Definitely not. Why do business exist? They need customers. Only then the business exists. So the important thing about any business is customers. So that's where we are coming into the picture. Without customers, no business. Agree? Without customers, no business. Without business, no IT companies. Without IT company, no job for you. Correct? So which means your job, my job as a software engineer, it is directly related to the customer of the business. If Ford car company is a business appadina, the one who buys the car are the customers. They are the Ford customers, right? Your salary, my salary, IT company revenue, it all depends upon the customer coming into Ford company and buying more car. If Ford company is able to make more money by selling more cars to the customers, Ford company can make more money. From that, it can give it to the IT company. From that IT company, you and me can get the salary. So the end of the day, you said that you are here to understand how to earn money. You can earn money only by how? When the business have more customers, you can earn more money. I hope you are able to relate to this. So business cannot survive without customer. The most important thing in the business is customer, right? Take a look at this guy. இவர் என்ன பண்றாருன்னா, he is having a small grocery shop. So okay, just a moment. I hope my screen is still visible, right? Please confirm.
Yes, Ashok. Actually, we have shared the PPT in the chat. You can check.
Chat itself. Okay, let me check whether that will be. Okay, look at this guy. He's running a business. Enna business run pandrana? He's running a business called or grocery shop. He's a single man running this grocery shop. All of a sudden, he got a problem. Enna problem na? He's the one selling and he's the one doing the billing as well. Assume that there is if customer comes into the grocery shop, says that, hey, hi, I need 1 kg of rice. I need 1 kg of tamarind. I need 1 liter of this so and so. Every time when customer comes into the shop, he has to go. He has to take. He has to pack that 1 kg of rice. then again he has to look at the machine he is using. He is putting that rice and checking whether it is 1 kg or not. It is taking 5 to 10 minutes for him. In the meantime, another customer will come and ask, Anna, I need this, I need soap, I need a brush. He is getting confused and he's getting frustrated. He's not at all able to handle multiple customers at the same time. Look at the tool he is using. Very old tool to weight the machine. So assume that this is the business and this business got a problem. He is not able to handle the customer effectively. He is finding very difficult to weight the goods. If you are in his position and if he is asking, if he is facing a problem here, if he is asking for the solution, what is the solution you will give? Our business க்கு நீங்க என்ன solution கொடுப்பீங்க? Let us assume you are going to give a solution. Put it in the chat. This is the business. The business got a problem. I hope now you understand the business problem. What is the solution you will give? Put it in the chat. Hire someone to help them. Yes. Then where என்ன பண்ணலாம்? What else he can do to fix this situation? By observing the picture. Hire someone. Only hire, whether only hiring someone alone help. Look at the weighting machine he is using. In a digital era, what kind of machine he is using? Let's see what he is doing. Look, he bought a weight machine, digital weight machine. Previously, he was using some weight machine which is pretty old, very difficult to find. So he bought a tool first. And he also hired someone who will operate that tool. So in the meantime, he is doing the billing. He with this operator enna pannuvarna, he will take the goods, check the weight and give it to him, right? So here a tool and one who know how to use the tool resolve the business problem, right? Now let's take a look at the next one. Now this guy, the same guy, now building a very big chain of grocery shops, but still he started getting a problem. Enna problem na, he is not able to create posters. Adena posters na, digital posters. Even some of you who joined this live program by seeing some posters in Instagram or Facebook, he wants to run the business online, but he don't know how to create posters. Okay, in this case, this business got a problem. He has a problem of creating the posters. He don't know how to create the posters. Now tell me what is the solution you will give. இவருக்கு என்ன சொல்யூஷன் கொடுப்பீங்க? அவரால போஸ்டர்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியல. Put it in the chat. This business got a problem. How do you think you can help him? Hire designer, use Canva, hire the people who create posters. AI. Good. Reach out to any media company. End of the day, he has a problem. He needs someone who can resolve the problem. Yeah, let's take a look at that. How he is resolving. Simple. He has a problem. What he is doing? He buy the tool like Canva or AI, ChatGPT or Gemini. He buys some tool, and also he hired someone who know how to use the tool. அதுதான் பண்ணிருக்காரு பாருங்க இல்லையா? So every time a business got a problem, what the business is doing, right? The business is getting a tool and also hiring someone who is able to resolve that problem. In this case and also in the previous case, same thing happened. Now take a look at this business. So now tell me, what is more important in business? You already answered this question. The most important thing in any business is customer, and another thing is time. The amount of time they do for the business. So business need these two things, and they go to any extent to retain the customer to save a lot of time. So how can a business save a time? இப்ப பாத்தீங்களே கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி, how the business is saving a time? Put it in the chat. How can a business save time? Just before we have seen an example, how the business able to solve the time, save the time. They are able to save the time by resolving the business problem. But how did they resolve the problem? They resolve the problem with two things. How do business solve the problem? They resolve the problem with two things. One is with the help of a tool, and another one is with the help of somebody who knows how to use the tool. So this is what really important for you to understand here. End of the day, you are all here to know how to earn money, how to get a job. But the one going to give you the job, the actual person who going to give you the job is the business who is running a company or something, who need help to maintain the customer and solve the problems of managing the customer. If you are able to help them to maintain the customer, solve the business problem, they are ready to pay you. Simple. Let's get into the next one. Air India, right? Air India is a business. They are running, they are having so many flights. What is the business they are doing? They are doing a transport business. How they are earning money? By selling air tickets. They are earning money. And they also got a problem. Look at this. The Air India customer service, Air India customer service all of a sudden started getting a call. Assume that I'm the customer service person in Air India. I'm getting a call from somebody, says that, hey, hi, Ashok. Hey, hi, I missed my baggage, or I need a refund for my ticket. The one who is handling the customer asking, okay, sir, can you tell your name? He is noting down. Tell your email ID, noting down. Tell your phone number, he note down. There are chances the spelling may go wrong. There are chances the numbers may go wrong. He manually noting down everything. This is what the situation of Air India few years before. Whenever the customer care take the call, they have to manually note down everything. If it is related to baggage missing, they have to give it to baggage missing team. He note down all the information, send the email to the baggage team, ask them to check. If it is related to ticket refund, he note down everything and send it to the finance team. So manually he was distributing the task. After 10 minutes, look at somebody who lost their baggage. What they will do? Every 10 minutes or 30 minutes, they keep on call the customer care. Again, the same guy calling the customer care team. Again, this customer care asking them, sir, could you please tell your name, email ID, phone number? The customer get furious. They get frustrated. How many times should I tell my name, email ID, phone number to you? Don't you have a system to check all this automatically? This was the situation of Air India. Now, let's take a look at that, how Air India is resolving this business problem. Okay, let me share my screen.
Customer experience. But one area that everybody felt that Air India has a realistic chance of being the absolute best airline in the world is in the area of technology. We are trying to make Air India into the most advanced airline in the world. With Salesforce CRM, data and AI, we are able to serve customers in ways that we were not able to do before. We have set speed as one of the key values that we execute on. Everything we do, we want to do it quickly so that our customers, our employees can get the benefit of the actions that we are taking. Our mission was to empower the folks on the ground as well as in the air with the right set of information about the customer so that the customer can be served better. We have deployed the entire capability of Salesforce. We did email to case, we did web to case, we did the integration with the chatbot. Now we are switching over the entire contact center. Data is at the very center of taking care of the customer. And once the data is available, we can do a lot of very interesting things. We can have the AI summarize the earlier conversations with the customer. Once the conversation is over, generative AI has the ability to generate the action items to fulfill this customer's needs. The AI is listening to the customer, doing all the data entry so that the human agent is fully liberated to have a normal conversation with the customer. We have also adopted Einstein service to provide the customer support agents with the next best action capability. CRM and data and then the generative AI, all protected by a layer of trust, is going to be very important Salesforce teams have been extraordinarily helpful in making sure that we operate with a lot of speed. So all these things were not possible before, but now with the help of all the data that we have and the generative AI capabilities, we will be able to serve our customers even better in the future.
So Air India, what it is doing, Air India faced a business problem. So Air India is able to now resolve the business problem with the help of two things. One is the tool, which is Salesforce, and another one, they also hired some Salesforce experts for them. Okay. Is my screen still visible? I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. So with the help of Air India, now the Air India customer service, you can visit Air India website. Now, if you go and check the Air India website, right, they went to complete digital. If somebody want to raise any request, they go and can submit the request in this Air India webpage, which is handled by Salesforce itself. They can give the name, email ID, and phone number. The moment they enter all the data, automatically it will go to Salesforce. And similarly, they can also check the status of their, they can also go and check the status of their queries. We are going to show you a quick demo on that also. We have Shankari with us. She is going to show you. But before that, let me just explain how it works. So now Air India got a centralized digital portal where the moment a customer call, right, they will have all the details, the customer name, email ID, and everything, which is already pre-installed. And automatically, that particular information, whether if it is related to baggage, refunds, or whatever it is, automatically route to the respective department. And the customer care team now can easily tell where exactly the status of, what is the status of their problems and all. This is one such business problem resolved by Salesforce. Like that, there are so many business problems are able to resolve by Salesforce too, and we are going to see that one by one. These are the products are used to resolve the problem within the Salesforce. So now we started talking about Salesforce and Salesforce. Just visit. Before we give you the heads up about what is this Salesforce is all about, now tell me, what is this? What is Google for you? Salesforce பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, if I ask you what is Google, என்னன்னு சொல்லுவீங்க? What is Google? Just put it in the chat. If I ask you what is Google, என்னன்னு சொல்லுவீங்க? What is Google for you? I'm not able to see any chats. Okay, search engine. Okay, now it is clear. Okay, search engine. Okay, Google is a search engine. அப்படிங்கிறீங்க. Okay, what is Microsoft? Microsoft இருக்குல்ல? What is Microsoft? You see my screen? Microsoft. What is Microsoft for you? Okay. What is Apple? What is Apple? What is Samsung? If I go to Samsung website, what is Samsung? Samsungல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு பாருங்க. End of the day, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Samsung, they're all company. அது ஒரு company. அது ஒரு business. Samsung is a company. They are selling mobile, TV, all these appliances. இல்லையா? Similarly, if you go to Apple, Apple is a company. They are also selling what? These many products. They're selling MacBook, iPad, iPhone, and all. Agree? Samsung is a company. They are selling these products. Apple is a company. They are selling this product. Similarly, if you also go to Microsoft, Microsoft also a company. The company is selling these many products. You can go and check what are the products selling by Microsoft. Look at the products Microsoft is selling. So what you are seeing in the screen, these are all Microsoft products, Google products. So which means the clarity we want to give you all here is Google is a company, they got these many products. Microsoft is a company, they got these many products. We are not using Microsoft. We are not using directly use Google. We use a product of Google, Google Meet, Gmail. We use Microsoft product, Word, Excel. Similarly, you are not using Samsung directly. What you are using? You use Samsung product, either Samsung mobile phone or Samsung TV, or we are using Samsung product. So the products, we can use only their products, right? Similarly, Air India is using these products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Air India is using these products to resolve that issue. If you go to this link, this is a link, you can find it in the Salesforce website itself. Air India is using these many products to resolve their business. Question enna, what is these products all about? Please visit Salesforce website, just like how you visit Samsung website, Microsoft website. If you go here, you can see the list of products of Salesforce. So like Microsoft, like Apple, like Samsung, like Google, Salesforce also a company, and it has these many products. Business can use these products to resolve their business problem. Just like we have seen here, in this business, with the help of the tool called product called Canva, this business is able to resolve the problem. Air India is also able to resolve their problem with the help of these many products. So the clarity we want to give you here is Salesforce is nothing but it's a company. Can you please quickly, everyone, quickly visit salesforce.com website? I put it in the chat. Just quick check pannunga paapom. And tell me, just like Air India, you are going to tell me what are the other people using Salesforce. Let me put it in the chat. It's a quick activity for you all. Just to go and check. You got another 1 minute. Visit Salesforce website and check the customers who are all Salesforce customers. I have shown you Air India as one customer, right? Like that, visit Salesforce website and let me know who are all the other Salesforce customers. All that you have to do is visit Salesforce and go to customer section and go to customer stories. You can see the list of customers here. Air India is a customer. Royal Enfield is a Salesforce customer, which means Air India is using Salesforce. Royal Enfield is using Salesforce. Genpact is using Salesforce. Ather, this bike manufacturer, they are using Salesforce. Like that, just take a quick look into this website and customers and put it in the chat. Let's see how many of you are able to get the real customers. PepsiCo, BMW, Hero FinCorp, FedEx, good. So these many companies are here, right? Yes. So, iduvarakku clarity irukka? So I think till here we have given a clarity of what is Salesforce. So Salesforce is a company. It has so many products. Business like Ninga Patha business, FedEx, Ajay, PepsiCo are all using that product to resolve their business problem. What kind of business problem? You can go and check the customer stories. Today I have demonstrated how Salesforce is resolving the Air India business problem. Ilaya? Quick. Fine. So for any questions till here, whether you are getting a clarity, we have seen what is business, what is most important for business, and we have just seen what is Salesforce, how Salesforce can help the business. That's what we have seen. That if you got the clarity, put yes in the chat. If not, you can put no, so that I can re-explain this once again. Put it in the chat, whether you get the clarity till here. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a company. It has so many products and the business are using that products. Rishant says no. Rishant, could you please explain what is, which is you're not able to understand? Rishinath, only Rishinath says no. Anybody else? Anybody else want us to re-explain this, or anybody, if you don't understand any concept, please put it in the chat so that I can explain you once again. I'm sorry if you just joined. It's being a 1 hour. We have explained many things. Kindly go through the recordings, Tarun. I understand you don't understand if you join in between. I understand. We cannot brief it everything again because we explained everything right from the beginning. We will be giving the recordings. Please go through the recordings. I'm sorry about that. It is very difficult for me to brief it quickly. Your voice is not audible. Is my voice is available? I mean, are you guys able to hear me properly? Okay, let me explain this concept, the last concept alone once again. See, take a look into my screen. Apple is a company. Apple has these many products. We are all using Apple products, right? So Apple is Apple product like iPhone, iPad, helping us to make a call or makes our life easier. Similarly, Samsung is a company. It has these many products. Similarly, Microsoft is a company. The Microsoft has these many products. End of the day, somebody is using this Microsoft products, like most of the business people using that. Similarly, Salesforce is also a company. It also has a products. Salesforce la enna irukku ungalku products irukku. So who are all using these products? அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்னா, who are all using Salesforce products? The business people. Air India is a Salesforce business people. Hero Corp is a business people. Ether இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. This is a business people. Ford is using Salesforce. Renault Nissan is using Salesforce. They are using Salesforce. They are using Salesforce products. So Salesforce is a company which has these many cloud-based CRM products, which is being used by these business. So if you are here and listening to this lecture, you can become a Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, Salesforce architect, one who knows how to use Salesforce for these business. Just like this, in this PPT we have seen, somebody knows how to use Canva. Somebody know how to use the Canva can help the business illa. Adhe mari, if you know how to use Salesforce products, you can help business. If you know how to use Salesforce, you can work for Air India. If you know how to use Salesforce, you can work for Royal Enfield. Okay, this is the brief I can give you about what we have covered so far in your laptop. Could you please answer? Put it in the chat. உங்க லேப்டாப்ல எந்த ஆப்பரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் நீங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்க? Let's see how many of you answer this correctly. How many of you have idea about Windows, Microsoft Windows? Predominantly in the world, most of the people are using Windows. Very rare people use Linux, Unix, Mac and all, right? What? Okay. If you say you are using Windows operating system, who owns Windows? Windows is the company order. Which company owns Windows? Which company owns Windows? Which company's product is Windows? Put it in the chat. You are everyone using Windows operating system. I agree. But which company owns it? It is Microsoft. Look at that. So Microsoft has the control of almost all the computer in the world. Microsoft as a company, Microsoft has a product called Windows. You are using Microsoft company's product, which is Windows. Do you think you can run your laptop or mobile, computer without operating system? Say yes or no. Do you run your laptop will your laptop run without operating system? Say yes or no. Illala. So which means to run your laptop, you need operating system. Who owns the entire operating system in the world? இப்ப சொல்லுங்க. Most of the computer runs on Windows. Who owns the Windows? It is Microsoft, which means you need Microsoft help to run your laptop. Illaya? Say yes or no. Right? Without Microsoft, can we survive? Without Microsoft, can your laptop or computer survive? End of the day, Microsoft is a company, one company that controls almost all the computers, all the operating system. Let me come to the point. Exactly the same. So eppadi operating system is a category, operating system is a market. In that, Microsoft is running the world, right? Without without operating system, you cannot run your company. You cannot run the laptop. Similarly, without CRM, you cannot run your business. Just like how operating system is needed for your laptop, operating system is needed for your computer. If there is a business, if the business needs to operate, they need CRM, customer relationship management. CRM is an operating system for any business. Without customers, no business exists. We have already seen. To maintain the customer, any company need a CRM, customer relationship management. To make a call, to send an email, to maintain that email, to make the customer care, sales, service, support. Even if you are someone, even if you are someone selling a milk, selling water packets, water bottle, water can, they also have a CRM. They have a small chits, where they maintain all the customer information. You take CRM is fundamental for any business. Without CRM, nobody can run the business. Okay, in the clarity puriyudha? Just like how without operating system you cannot use laptop or you cannot use mobile phones. Even if you have to use mobile phone, you need a CRM. Mobile phone also have CRM. Like that, without CRM, you cannot run the business. Whether you are able to understand this, do you have any business, do you think that will run without CRM? Any business can you name? Even if I say any business, even if it is a milk packet selling, okay, let me show you milk cards. I hope you are still able to see my screen. Even if someone selling milk packet, they also have a CRM. CRM. This is what their CRM. In this milk card, they will note the customer name, customer number, how many milk they have bought, what are the days they have. This is their CRM. They note down all the customers. Somebody still use diary, notebook to manage all the customers. If it is a small company selling a milk packet or a water can, they are using this kind of chits. What about the big companies? They need to have a system to maintain their huge customer data. Jio, take a look. Take an example of Jio. 1 crore, 2 crore people, more than 10 crores people are using Jio, right? They need a huge system. Definitely, they need a CRM system. So, just like how it is important for computer, laptop to run, operating system is important. Computer, laptop run பண்றதுக்கு operating system எந்த அளவுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டனோ அதே மாதிரி to run your business, any business, CRM is important. Without CRM, you cannot run business. CRM can be anything. Excel sheets can be an Excel sheet. It can be small thing or big thing. It can be sheet, diary. But without CRM, without having the customer information, do you think you can run your business? How much payment the customer has made? When did they make the payment? Customer email ID, phone number. In today's world, you cannot run business without CRM. So in the last example, we have seen without operating system, you cannot run laptop or mobile phone. Who owns the entire operating system? It is Windows. Like that, without CRM, you cannot run business. Somebody asked the question, right? Why Salesforce? Just like Microsoft is ruling the operating system market share, Salesforce is ruling the entire CRM market. Every operating system is ruled by Microsoft as a company. CRM is a market which is ruled by Salesforce itself. Salesforce is being the number one CRM in the world for last 13, 14 years. 13 years, they are the number one CRM in the world. Somebody asked the question earlier, why Salesforce? The first reason is predominant, most of the companies, they use what? Only Salesforce. All the big organizations, they use Salesforce. Let me come into the point of why they are considering Salesforce. Why everybody going for Salesforce? If somebody is running the business, why they consider Salesforce for the business? The first thing is, previously, if somebody want to build a software, there are so many software tools are there. For example, they need front end, they need back end, Java, PHP, .NET. They need to have multiple servers, and they also need to have a multiple people to run the IT of that business. Assume that there is a car manufacturing company. If they want to go online, they want to run the business with the help of software now. They need a front-end team, back-end team, database team, and they need a server team. They have to maintain the server. They have to maintain the entire IT industry. Whereas, if it is going to be Salesforce, entire front-end, back-end, database, everything is going to handle only within Salesforce. Let me show you how Salesforce looks like for you. If I am the company, I want to use Salesforce, I can directly go and logging in to Salesforce like this. I'm not maintaining this server. I'm not maintaining this application. This is how the Salesforce looks like for me. If I'm the manufacturing company, I assume that I'm the Renault Nissan. This is how Salesforce looks like for me. Ready-made available product. I'm not the one who built this software. It is already built by someone. I can directly go and start use it for my business. I can start directly enter my customer information directly. All the module you see, right? The front end, back end. Even if there is a database, if I'm going to create a record about my customer, I can directly go and use. I don't have to wait for 5, 10, 12 months to build the software. Previously, people used to spend a lot of time and energy in building the software. Nowadays, they are not doing it at all. So you can, the moment you want to use the software, you can use it because it's a cloud platform. One common technology. And one skilled Salesforce developer is enough. You don't need to have 10 different IT people, but Java developer, .NET developer, or database developer. You don't need 10 to 15 people to run the system as a business. One Salesforce developer is enough to run the business. Second thing, if you want to build any software, it will take weeks or years to build. It is very hard to configure and customize. And if you want to make any changes, it is very slow to do that. But whereas if it is a Salesforce, you can do it anything easily. Let me show you a quick demo of how you can implement Salesforce quickly for your business. Take a look at that. Here, I'm in a contact object, and this is the module which is available in Salesforce. If I want to add any new thing, say for example, if I want to add just a country name or some field over here, if you want to implement, you can quickly go to setup and go to object manager. This is the role of Salesforce developer or administrator they will do. Say for example, if I go to contact fields, I can add a new field. If I want to add any new field, let me add a kind of checkbox field. Active. I'm just trying to create a field in accounts. I can quickly create. That's it. A new field, a new column has been created here. I can go here and I can go and check. The new thing will be appear here. Active account. Look at this. Within a minute, I'm able to make changes here. Even if I want to do any automation, it is just one button click away. I can directly go and do it. If it is some old software or old system, right, it will take a time to do that. Deployment is very easy and we can do it quickly. That's why most of the companies, they prefers to buy Salesforce. If you want to buy Salesforce, you can quickly go to the Salesforce website and you can buy this software for yourself. It is very easy to buy and easy to customize. Just like I did, it is very easy to customize. I think I have done the simple one. And one another thing, why many businesses are looking for Salesforce as an option. Let me show you. Salesforce has so many products available for the industries. You come from any industry, automotive, construction, education, no matter. They have products for almost all the industries. You go and search for the products. That is one another reason why most of the people prefers Salesforce for their business. Just give me a moment. I'm running out of charge. Okay, sorry about that. So we are seeing why most of the people are looking for Salesforce as a looking for Salesforce solution. The Salesforce has solution for almost all the industries, and it has a huge variety of products. Whatever you need, you can go and buy it from Salesforce. It's just like that. For example, if you're going for a small petty shop to buy t-shirts, or you're going for a small shop to buy any dresses, right? If you're going to buy them, what happens, right? They will say, sorry, this model is not available. Sorry, this color is not available. Sorry, this brand is not available. If you go for any small shop, they will definitely say this is not available. This is not possible. But if we go for some big malls or big shops, what happens? You are ready to pay. What will happen? You will get a huge variety of collections. You will get a huge variety of clothes, colors, brand, quality, right? So that huge collection is available in Salesforce. It is not available with other CRM. That is the reason why most of the business prefers Salesforce, because the business are ready to spend for their business. They are ready to spend for the software, but they need a customized solution for their business. Salesforce, if you go to Salesforce, right, they are being into this platform for the last 25 years in this market. So they have huge products which is available in this portal. And also they have solutions for almost all the companies. You just go click on what are the industries using Salesforce. It has almost all the industries are using Salesforce. That is the one another reason why people the business prefers Salesforce. And you can definitely get a customized solutions from it. Say, for example, even if it is not available, that is a portal available called App Exchange. Let me show you what is this App Exchange is available like. Just like Google Play Store, Salesforce also has a application store called App Exchange. Even if you don't find something within Salesforce, but you need a customized solution, still you can go and get the customized solution from their apps. Tell me one reason why we prefer Android phone over iPhone. Because if it is Android phone, you can install so many applications for free of cost. And Android is something you can go and use it in the Play Store, right? Like that, Salesforce also has a App Exchange product. Sorry, App Exchange place. They renamed it to Agent Exchange. So here you can find a lot of products for the customizations. If you are running a business, you can get a lot of products here. That is also the one reason why business prefer Salesforce, why they not prefer any other software in the market. And they keep improve that with the releases. And then releases now they keep upgrade the product. Today the world is full of AI. They also got a AI product named Agent Force with them. Once in 4 months, they upgrade the products, which no other CRM do. They keep upgrade with all the latest features. That is also one reason why people prefer Salesforce. This one, which is the headache for most of the business, no server maintenance at all. If you are someone running the business, you are not the one going to maintain the server. It is Salesforce going to maintain all the server, because it is a complete cloud application, just like our Google, just like our Gmail. If you are using Gmail, whether you are running a server for the Gmail, no, right? It is Salesforce running that one. So it was a Google running that one. Like that, no server maintenance. And of course, anybody can work from anywhere because it's a cloud environment. Whether you are a business or some developer, it has given the flexibility that you can work from anywhere. Okay, so till here, we have explained so far is why company prefers Salesforce. Do anybody have any questions till here? Why company prefers Salesforce? Many people have asked, right? Because Salesforce is very easy to install, easy to purchase, and easy to maintain, and very easy to develop. That is the reason why they're all using Salesforce. All right. So do anybody have any questions still here? Why Salesforce? Let's move on to the roles in Salesforce. What are the different roles are? If you are someone learning Salesforce, what are the different roles available for you? Let me explain it quickly. So you can learn Salesforce just like Stania, who spent a lot of time in learning about Salesforce, right? But she landed in a role called business analyst. Like that, there are many roles in the Salesforce. There are roles like Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, quality analyst, business analyst, architect, consultant, and project manager. So who are all the Salesforce administrators? Salesforce administrators are the one who maintain the Salesforce applications. They most of the time they do click, drag, and drop, just like how I did a few minutes back. You simply go and drag and drop and start build the application or configure the applications, right? So that anybody can work as an administrator. You can join the company as a fresher. Maximum 8 years you can work like a administrator, like junior administrator and senior administrator. After that, you have to move for some higher roles. The average salary is starting from 2.5 LPA for the fresher, and that goes maximum 24 LPA for administrators. After that, you have to choose the higher roles getting to in the Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce developers are the one who spend time in coding. Nowadays, most of the codings are done by AI itself. But being the Salesforce developer, you must have the fundamentals of coding. What is coding is all about? What is Apex? What is trigger? Those who are all joining here as a fresher, don't worry. If you are joining AJST, you are going to learn everything right from the scratch, like how to declare a variable, how to create a class. Anybody can become the Salesforce developer. All that you need to have a basic of coding knowledge and problem solving skill. Even if you don't have the coding knowledge, it doesn't matter. Nowadays, with the help of AI, you can build the coding for yourself. Let's take a look at this. If I'm going to ChatGPT and I'm asking him, hey, I need to create a VF page in Salesforce to display all contact, right? If I just give a prompt, it will give me the class and it will give me the Apex page. All that what I will do, I copy this code, I go to Salesforce, I go to Salesforce developer console, I simply paste my script here. That's it. If I have to create, I can create contact Apex. I just simply paste this, save this. My code is created. Similarly, I go and copy the script of this one. VF page, right? I just copy this VF page, and again I go to this file, new, save this. Look at the nowadays how, look at that, the developers are using this Salesforce and AI. That's it. You have created this. You can go and check the preview how it works. Look at this. Within a minute, you have created a page. This is how nowadays Salesforce developers are doing coding in the Salesforce ecosystem, right? So if you are someone want to become a Salesforce developer, or you are still afraid about coding, please wake up. Coding is not, it's just a click away. All that you need to have the fundamental coding knowledge, and you should be able to give the proper prompt. That's it. You are not the one going to do coding at all. Minimum you will be earning 3 LPA. At the maximum you will earn 40, 50 LPA in the Salesforce development. 0 to 14 years, you can tell yourself as a Salesforce developer. After that, you have to move for the higher roles. Business analyst, just like tenure, you can also become a business analyst by understanding the business. You sit with the business, understanding the requirement. You will do documentation. Most of the time, part of the business analyst, you do documentation, attending the meeting, sitting with the administrator, sitting with the developer, and you will be giving the suggestions to the business. 0 to 8 years, you can work as a business analyst. 3 LPA to 18 LPA, you can get as a salary. All these positions can be joined as a freshers too. Quality analyst, the one who, for example, if the developer is building this applications and all, right? Quality analyst, the one who will check whether it is built properly or not. They are the one going to test the entire end-to-end applications. So 0 to 12 years, you can become as a QA, and 2.5 to 25 LPA, you can get a salary. Any graduate can become a quality analyst. All that you need to know the fundamentals of Salesforce. That's it. Salesforce architect, one of the highest paid salary in the Salesforce ecosystem is Salesforce architect. If you're someone starting your Salesforce career, you can aim for this Salesforce architect salary, architect position, one who design and one who develop the applications. Most of the developers, administrators, they report to Salesforce architect. They are the one design the application most of the time. So if someone having 8 to 20 years of experience, you can work as a Salesforce architect, 8 till 20 years of experience, and your salary range from 30 LPA to 80 LPA. I'm just giving a brief about these roles, but if you need to know about the in detail, just browse about it or put it in ChatGPT. You will come to know about the detail about all this one. Salesforce consultant are the one. Most of the time, the Salesforce consultant BA are doing the same role with a little bit different. They come to know about the different Salesforce product as a Salesforce consultant, because if somebody works for IT, automobile industry, somebody work for energy industry, they come to know about the different Salesforce products, and they refer which Salesforce products ideal for which Salesforce business, which business. So maximum 8 to 20 years, you can work as a Salesforce consultant. The salary range from 20 LPA to 50 LPA. Project manager, it's a typical IT role. So someone who manage the entire team and projects, they will become a Salesforce project manager. If you're someone you don't want to get in too much of technical stuff, you can become a project manager. Maximum of 8 to 20 years of experience needed to become a project manager. Salary range from 16 LPA to 40 LPA. Okay. So any questions so far from the roles, people? So far, I have just brief about what are the different roles in the Salesforce. If there is any question specific to AI, specific to your career, I'm having 12 years of experience, 15 years of experience. What do you recommend for me? Don't worry. I'm going to be here. I will still stay alive. And in this live session, I'm going to answer all your questions in English and Tamil without answering your question, I'm not going to move. So far what we have covered about the roles. If you have any questions about the roles, please let me know. All right. Don't worry, I have seen all the close to 400 questions are in the chat. Don't worry, we are definitely going to answer all the questions. Okay, so let's continue. We're continuing with the next important segment. It's all about why we should consider Salesforce as a career. There are so many career opportunities available in this world, right? Why we should consider Salesforce as a career. Let's take a look at what you are actually going to learn is not only Salesforce. You are actually going to learn the entire CRM, which means whether it is Salesforce or Zogo or HubSpot, it is going to be the same across the platform. Take a look at that. In Salesforce, you're seeing the modules, right? Leads, task, account, contact, campaign, and also in setup, you'll be seeing modules like automations, approval process, right? And similarly, reports, dashboards, you can see reports, dashboards. So 90% of the time, these things are common for almost all the CRM. You go and work for any CRM in the world, Zogo, HubSpot, any CRM, right? It is going to be the same. See, DigiKAS as a company, what we are doing, if you ask me, Ashok, whether you have any idea about Zogo before you start DigiKAS, I say, I don't have any idea about Zogo. This company has no idea about Zogo. But now we are doing Zogo implementations. We are doing Odoo implementations. How we are able to do that? But all that we know only Salesforce, right? Because Salesforce and Zogo is almost same. The only difference is Salesforce has a lot of customers, lot of functionalities. If someone knows how to use Salesforce, you can easily work on Zogo. We are using Zogo. AJ Skill Development is using Zogo for our day-to-day operations. You can work on HubSpot. You can work on any CRM application. The one biggest advantage of learning Salesforce is you are not just learning one software, not learning one company product. You are learning the core of CRM. So why CRM is really important? We have just seen. For us to survive, business is important. For business, customer is important. Without a CRM, you cannot run the business, which means if business has to run, they need customers. If business has to run, they definitely need CRM. Without CRM, they cannot do. So somebody like us, if we are choosing CRM as our career, Salesforce CRM, Zogo CRM, if you are choosing CRM as a career, we are having a longer scope. You don't have to worry about layoff. You don't have to worry about that. As long as business exists, as long as customer exists, CRM is also going to exist. You don't have to worry about whether AI is going to change that or not, whether AI is here or not. CRM is definitely going to be there. AI cannot replace CRM. AI cannot replace business. AI cannot replace customer, right? With the help of AI, we can use CRM. All the softwares are now having CRM. Salesforce also having AIs, Agentforce. Zogo also have a AI, Zia. So AI is now become part of these segments. So CRM is something we are going to learn. So we have the wider scope. Learning Salesforce definitely helps you to improve the problem solving skills and your business skill. So if you are somebody choosing Salesforce as a career, you have a wider scope because you're not just going to learn Salesforce, you are improving your problem solving skill as well. And definitely you work closely with the business because you are going to resolve the business problem. You're going to get a deep understanding of how business works, how a software can resolve the business problem. The real scope of Salesforce is not 80 lakh salary, 90 lakh salary. The real scope of Salesforce is one day you will give salaries to many people. Just like me, Ashok Raj, I'm having two organizations, exclusive Salesforce training organization and the exclusive Salesforce implementation. You can also see there are other founders like me, like Saravanan. You can also find their LinkedIn profiles. So they are also started their career as a Salesforce developers and administrator. Now they started their own Salesforce company over the period. Look at that. They started in Wipro, then IBM. Now he started his company called Titanium Texi. Similarly, this guy, we have Tamil Selvan. Tamil Selvan also started his career as Salesforce developer. Now he started his own firm called Win For Me. Some of AJSD trying to folks are now working for Win For Me. You can also check his profiles. He started Win For Me after these many years. So like that, there are many people who started their career in Salesforce. They end up with starting their own business. From getting the 1 lakh, 2 lakh salary, they started become giving 1 lakh, 2 lakh salary. This is one another guy, Dinesh, who is the founder of the company called La Confianza, who started his career as a Salesforce administrator or Salesforce consultant. Of course, it takes time. Not within the 1 year or 2 year, you are going to start your own firm. To 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years after that, you are going to start your own firm. But you are not going to become only the employee till the end of the day. The real scope of the Salesforce is creating the entrepreneurs. And of course, you can build your own product and you can put your product in App Exchange. If you are someone, you understood the Salesforce really well, you can become a Salesforce partner and host your application in Agent Exchange, which is an App Exchange product, where the company will buy your product for cost $10, $5, $12. So why you have to choose Salesforce as a career? Not just to work. You can start build your own products, which is possible in Salesforce. And of course, you'll get a better work-life flexibility because it's a completely remote job and you are going to work only on cloud. You don't have to maintain servers. You don't have to maintain all those things. You get all the work-life experience here. And since you are going to become part of Salesforce, you are going to have a direct interaction with the client. Your communication improves better. Your client handling will improve better. Choosing Salesforce career is going to give a lot of opportunities. And Salesforce has a global community setup support. If you are someone and you got working on a project, Salesforce project, you got stuck in between and you need somebody to help you, right? So Salesforce has a community where you can go and ask for help. Look at this. Any questions, you face any questions, you will get a lot of support from around the world. You just matter of one click away. ChatGPT, Claude, this Trailblazer community. And it also have a very active LinkedIn system. Any questions you have, you can get it from LinkedIn, and any doubts you have, you can go and search it in the YouTube and you can get all the clarification. For example, if you want to learn about, I want to learn about Apex in Tamil, you just put it in the, it's a one click away, you will get Salesforce. All the contents will be available in YouTube. So you don't have to worry about if I started working on how, if I need any help, who will help me? You don't need anybody's support. There is a community is available to support you. LinkedIn is available. YouTube, there are a lot of contents available. Cloud, ChatGPT, it is available. So the life is actually a bit easier when you choose Salesforce as a career. This is the one thing that I can definitely say why most of the people choose Salesforce as a career. 4x demand. If you're someone starting your career now, joining a company as 3 LPA, within 1 year, it will become 6 LPA. After that, become 9 LPA, then 12 LPA. So your year of experience into 4 is your salary. Let me show you how it works. Just go to Naukri and search for Salesforce developer or any Salesforce job. Salesforce. Let me search for Salesforce developer and click on search. look at that, how many openings are going on just in Naukri, and look at the salary package. The average salary is 25 to 50 lakhs. And there are salary, they are offering the highest salary, they are offering 5 crore for someone, Salesforce architect. Right? You can very well search it on yourself. If you are somebody as a fresher, okay, if you are somebody fresher, your salary package starts from, and the average of 6 to 10 lakhs or 3 to 6 lakhs. There are companies hiring. So the average salary package for the Salesforce developer are minimum 2.5. Somebody joining Salesforce as a fresher, minimum salary they are getting at 2.5 as a salary. The maximum as a fresher they will get 7 LPA. Year on year, minimum 40% hike or 4x hike, which means if you are having 2 years experience, 4x, 2 into 4, 8 LPA would be the salary. If you are somebody 12 years of experience, 12 into 4, 36 LPA is your salary. When I quit my job in 2022, I had an opportunity for 36 LPA. Okay. And you don't need to switch the domain every day because you are choosing Salesforce and CRM as a career, right? So it is going to be a long-term career stability. The scope is not just to become the employee. The real scope is to become an employer. And of course, you can work work from home is available in Salesforce. Naukri.com we have already seen. Fine. So now I would like to ask Harish to explain the different. There are people asking questions, right? You're asking question about I'm having 12 years of experience. Will it be possible for me to get into Salesforce? I'm from non-IT to IT. Is it possible for me to get into Salesforce? I'm a fresher. Is it really possible for me to get into Salesforce? You are asking up, you're telling about you and asking whether it is possible for you, right? We are going to address all the questions in this session. So kindly listen it carefully. We are not going to repeat for individually. We have seen questions like, I'm a manual tester with 12 years experience. Will Salesforce suit for me or not? I'm a fresher. I'm having, can I learn Salesforce or not? We are going to cover all these career related questions in this session. Over to you, Harish.
Thank you, Ashok. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I'd like to share my screen. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, Harish, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, welcome everyone. So I'm Harish. I'm Harish. I'm a career counselor in AG Skill Development Academy. So I'd like to explain how AJSD works and how we are giving the guarantee placement program. Like who are all the people we are covering and how we are placing the candidates and how we are giving the training to them. So so we are covering people like career gap, non-IT, freshers, and IT to IT. So I'd like to just show some candidate profiles who are all got placed as a Salesforce developer, admin, and all. So so here are all the candidates. I'll just show the 4 categories like fresher, career gap, and non-IT, and IT to IT. So these are all the candidates. Like he's a fresher. He came from different background, like BE, ECE. Sorry. From electrical background, now he got placed as a Salesforce developer in Malware Technologies. He is trained here. He just completed the training here within 6 months, and he got placed in Malware Technology. After completing the degree, within 6 months, he completed the training. Likewise, we have some examples. Like I would like to show the career gap. Like most of the candidates are today asking about the career gap after the 13 years, 14 years, 5 years, 6 years, how I can get the job. So we would like to simply tell that you have to complete all our curriculum, and you have to do some projects. Whatever AJSD gives the projects, you can complete and you can gain the confidence. Then you can easily able to crack the interview. We are here to schedule the interview for you. You're going to just crack the interview. I'll just show one example. Actually, one of our candidate name is Kalayarasi. She recently got placed as a Salesforce developer. Like she is from 20 years of career gap. So she recently got placed, and she have shared her Google review as well. Also, especially she got inspired from our 19 years career gap. Like 4 years before, we have placed the candidate name called Silva Guru. Also, I just wanted to take this moment to thankful to Silva Guru that she got placed, and she sent her kid to study in her academy, and now she got placed as a Salesforce developer. Her name is Induleka. She got placed recently, now like some 5 days before. So mother and daughter got studied in AJSD, and they got placed in AJ skill development. And from non-IT, so this candidate is like Vignesh. When he joined in academy, so we were like, he's not able to communicate, and he were not able to explain the like how business works, how the business will get solved. He couldn't able to communicate, and he couldn't able to present, and little bit he'll do everything slow. So after completing the training, he got placed in Casagrande as a Salesforce developer. You can just see his profile, and you can get to know how he got placed. Also, we would like to encourage the candidate to post in LinkedIn, like whatever he will do in AJ skill development, like he will just present it in the LinkedIn, like how he worked in the coding and how he will work, everything he will just show. So we will believe that showing off your work and your talent is very important in the industry. So we always encourage the candidate to show off all the like learnings that he have learned in AJSD. And you can check like after the government exam. So nowadays so many people have coming from the like they have completed the degree, and they have motivated to go, I mean study for the government exam. After some years, unfortunately they couldn't crack the exams or something. They will come to AJSD, they will learn, and they will go to they will start the career in Salesforce. So you can just see the profile, how he built the Salesforce career. Now he is working in IRDMS as a Salesforce developer. You can check it. Also, he studied here in 2025, and then he went to Salesforce developer job. And also, I would like to tell that we have placed in MNC companies as well, like as I told, Deloitte. You can just check this profile also. Both candidates got placed in Deloitte as well. Like they have completed their POC. We have some projects, so the candidate can able to complete the project, and they can work, and they can gain the experience, and they will be able to crack the interview. I'll just happy to explain. If anyone want to know how AJSD plays and how the candidates are getting placed, you can go to our website. In our website, we have posted all the domains. Like you can check non-IT, career gap, and fresher, and IT to IT. So direct LinkedIn link we have given. You can go to their LinkedIn, and you can message with them. So in LinkedIn IDs are there. You can directly message with them, and you can gain the confidence. So however, I'm explaining you all these things, but if you guys go and talk with the candidates, you'll get more knowledge about the like placements, how AJSD works till the end of learning. Like however, the AJSD just want the candidates to learn consistently, and they have to attend the meetings like status calls and videos, and they have to get the reviews. So if the candidate is consistently learning in our academy, they can able to place easily. So I'll just show the quick overview how we are giving the training. Ashok, can we give the quick overview on that?
Hello, Harish. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, Ashok.
Yes, Harish.
Okay, thank you. So, so many of the candidates asked how we have given the training, how I will learn the course and everything. I'll just explain how we are going to give the learnings to the candidates. So once the candidate is joined in AJSD, we will give two softwares like Zoho LMS and Zoho Click. So in this software, you will be getting all the modules. So you can watch the modules daily, and you can get the status call with the trainer to clarify your doubts and queries, and you can get the knowledge from the trainer. Like we will schedule a call with you, like one-to-one guidance will be there with the tech leads. Also, we are here to support till the day. Like we will be available for clearing your doubts for 3 to 4 sessions in a day, like morning 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, evening 7, 8, like that. So all the candidates, like morning 6 to night 9 p.m, we are available to clarifying your doubts and queries. Also, how AJSD stands different from other institutes. Like we will give the candidates like the POC projects. Like once the candidate is completing with our training, like I'll show the curriculum once.
Maybe Harish, we can share this video quickly for them so that they can easily understand.
Okay, sure.
So this is what people keep asking about, how we can help you with the career transition. Just take a look at that and how it is going to help you. Just a 5 minutes video that helps you to understand how this works.
Can I play a show?
From AJSD. In this video, I'm going to explain you all the services you will receive as part of our Salesforce training program. And I will also guide you through how we focus on your individual transformation throughout the training journey. So please watch this video without skipping or forwarding, so you don't miss any important information. Welcome to AG Skill Development. We are proud to introduce ourselves as an official Salesforce Trailblazer Workforce Partner. To find us in the directory, go to the Trailblazer Workforce Partner directory, scroll down to the region section. In the region field, select Asia Pacific. You will find AG Skill Development listed here. Here's what the training curriculum includes. You can visit the curriculum section on our page to get the complete details. But let me give you a quick overview. At a high level, we cover Salesforce administration, advanced administration, Salesforce Apex development, Salesforce Lightning, basics of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, and the latest Salesforce features like Salesforce AI and Agentforce Basic. At AJST, placement preparation doesn't begin at the end of your course. It starts right from day one. Let's walk you through the complete process. First, LinkedIn sessions. We begin with LinkedIn workshops to help you create a strong professional profile. You will learn how to present your skills, share your learning journey, and attract recruiters through your profile.
And yes, as Rafai said, if you're looking for a job, and you can just search hashtag hiring Salesforce developer.
Second, 5 assessments. During your training, we conduct 5 structured assessments to check your progress. Once you complete 5 assessments, you will be ready for the technical interview. Third, daily interview preparation. Every day we host interview preparation sessions in Zoho Click. These sessions help build your confidence and teach you how to answer common and real-time interview questions.
That can only be a particular opportunity. What could be causing this discrepancy?
Fourth, prelims interview and resume review. Once you have completed all topics in your tracker, we conduct a prelims interview to evaluate your readiness. We also fine tune your resume so that it highlights your strength and projects effectively.
Which is named as Cargo. So I was impressed with the technology where the cloud CRM handling, and I started doing research.
Fifth, access to interview questions. You will be given access to our exclusive interview question repository, a collection of real questions asked in company interviews. This helps you prepare smartly and stay ahead. Sixth, full mock interview. To give you the real interview experience, we conduct a mock interview. One of our senior trainers will conduct a mock interview covering all major topics. You will receive personalized feedback to work on your weak areas.
To query all the account records where active is equal to true.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I am going to have
Seventh, 2-month POC project. Once you are interview ready, we assign you a 2-month POC, proof of concept project. This project can be done virtually or offline. Why is it important? It helps you learn to work independently, just like in a real job. You can confidently talk about this project in interviews. It also adds solid value to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Whether you are applying for office or remote jobs, this project proves you are job ready. Eighth, job referrals. After clearing the mock interview, we will start referring you to our tied up companies. We provide guaranteed job referrals, and a placement coordinator will guide and follow up with you throughout the entire process. Referrals are based on the current openings in each company, but we will continue to support you until you get placed. Our placement records. To know more about our placed trainees, please visit our website and click on the placement section. Scroll down to view our trainees' profiles and select the categories of individuals who have successfully completed the training and launched their careers in Salesforce. Click on the individual LinkedIn icons to visit their profiles. Once clicked, it will redirect you to the respective LinkedIn profiles. To watch our trainee testimonial videos on YouTube, go to the placement section, find the testimonial option and click on it. Here, you can watch the testimonials of our trainees who got placed as a Salesforce developers.
So you, mostly we have to deal with the logics at the end of the day. Okay.
If you make use of the opportunity and study well, your profile will also appear here. Moving on, we would like to introduce another great opportunity we offer at AJST, the Classroom Internship Program in Chennai.
So apart from this, the program we offer is we offer both online as well as offline. But the one we offer offline is not just a training program. We offer that as an internship. As I told, we are having two organizations. One is AJST, another one is DigiKAS India Private Limited. If you are coming for offline, you can join here in DigiKAS as an intern itself. There are many people asking about getting the real-time projects and all, right? So whoever comes into the DigiKAS, we put them into our projects, put them into our POC project. They work here as a POC intern. Let me show you how that internship is going to help you to switch your career. So here you go. DigiKAS India Private Limited provides a Salesforce internship program in Chennai. Our day doesn't begin with code, it begins with clarity. Our interns enter the classroom between 8:30 a.m. and 9 a.m., hand over their mobile phones, log their entry time, and sign in for attendance. The day starts with meditation and journaling, a moment to slow down, reflect, and reset. Through gratitude, affirmations, and self reflection, our interns build a calm and clutter free mind. Once the mind is clear, learning begins. The morning is dedicated to deep learning, peaceful, focused, no interruptions, just pure concentration. An on floor technical trainer is always present, guiding interns and clearing the doubts instantly, that ensuring continuous support throughout the learning process. After lunch, the energy shifts. Learning becomes interactive. Interns engage with fellow colleagues, discuss concepts, and clarify doubts together because understanding becomes stronger when it's shared. Then comes the stand-up session between 3:30 p.m. and 4 p.m., a space where interns step forward to present, participate, and express their learning through activities, discussions, and knowledge sharing. Once every week, during the stand-up, technical presentation, interns present concept to build clarity and confidence. Quiz, a quick way to test understanding and reinforce learning. Book reading session, encouraging knowledge beyond technology. Group discussion, sharing perspectives to deepen understanding. A short break follows between 4 p.m. and 4:30 p.m., a time for interns to step out with their team, connect, refresh, and strengthen their bond beyond learning. Once they come back from the break, our interns move to a dedicated review meeting room. The day continues with the review meeting with our tech lead, where interns reflect on what they have learned, how well they understood, and where they can improve. Our tech lead assesses their understanding and provides feedback. They also participate in a mandatory 30-day Salesforce POC project development program, where they develop an end-to-end Salesforce solution by following agile methodology, which supports their placement journey significantly. Beyond technical learning, growth continues through dedicated sessions like LinkedIn sessions, co-learner sessions, interview preparation sessions, and many technical workshops. Additionally, every 30 days, we conduct a one-to-one touch base with each intern individually to understand their learning progress, address any concerns, and ensure they are comfortable and supported throughout their journey. Each intern follows a structured learning path with defined milestone, one milestone every 10 days, ensuring 3 milestones are completed each month, that driving a consistent progress and accountability. At 6 p.m., interns log their exit time, sign out for the day, and head back, completing a day of focused and meaningful learning. Step by step, clarity improves, confidence builds, and learning becomes truly meaningful. We put a lot of effort into creating this learning environment by keeping the premises clutter-free with the AC, power backup, Wi-Fi facilities, individual seats and tables, a conference room to discuss and collaborate, and a digital AV setup to support meetings, presentations, and workshops, ensuring a smooth and professional learning experience. At the end of their internship, we provide an internship completion certificate from DigiKAS India Private Limited. Because the right environment doesn't support learning, it transforms it. AJSD, transforming lives and uplifting generations. But that is a quite brief about what exactly we provide as a service and how exactly we are going to help you to get into the transition. I think there are so many questions being posted in the chat one by one. So let me highlight the chat one by one from the questions from that, and our team is going to answer. Okay. So let's take you can start post your questions in this chat. Whatever it's a question, we are going to take that question and you are going to assign that. The first question, the question is from Rajini. I hope everybody is able to see the questions, right? People, we are projecting the questions. So I'm from Mumbai. Even if I want this type of offline coaching, right? In Mumbai, we don't provide this, Rajani. The offline support is currently we are providing only in Chennai. If you are someone from Mumbai and other parts of the world, only 60 people are learning from AJST in Chennai. There are 600 people currently learning Salesforce from 22 countries in AJST. The experience is going to be the similar in offline and online, except only thing is you spend time with your fellow colleagues. Fine. So people, please start post your questions. We are going to project that questions and we are going to answer. So let me project the next question here. And our team is going to answer that. Yes. So Prakash, Harish, and Santosh, I'm going to project the questions one by one, and you can start and answer the questions.
Okay. Am I audible?
You're audible. Please go ahead.
Okay.
This is question from Chandra Hasa.
Yes. So I have seen that he's having 18 years of experience in Sable CRM and transition to Salesforce, better choice. How many months the course duration is for admin and development? Okay. So yeah, you can change your career to Salesforce. So there is, there is no any stopping. So you can learn Salesforce with help of like our curriculum. You have to cover all the curriculum, like as we already showed. You have to cover like admin, development, integration, and LWC. All the topics you are going to cover. Additionally, like we will give you the real-time projects. Like we can able to give you like a number of projects to you, so you can learn the project and you can gain your experience. Like I would like to show the experienced candidates, like how they got placed. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
So also you have already experience in CRM. So as Ashok already informed, you can easily able to switch your profile to Salesforce, because you know already how CRM will works, how projects will works, and already you have all the CRM knowledge. You are just going to learn the core of Salesforce. That's it. Also, you are going to cover some real-time projects, how Salesforce project implementation will work, like that. So once you can able to learn the project works and everything, you can easily able to place like these candidates. Like you can see how we have given the POC projects. Like we have a project called like CC, Charity Crossing project. Like we are doing US projects. So in that US project, you can work like you can work and gain the experience of real-time project with the client. Like you can gather the requirement and you can work for that, and you can gain the like minimum 3 months of experience in the POC projects, and you can lead the team. So though you have 18 years of experience, you can learn the project and you can lead the team. Like some 4-5 developers you can able to lead, and you can give the project delivery to us, so that you can gain the experience and you can easily move to Salesforce.
Okay. To add with what Harish has covered. So Chandrahasa, I'm also from Sable background. I started my career in Sable. See, the core functionality of CRM, right? Even if you go to Sable, everything is going to be the same. There must be an automation, upload process, reports, dashboards, accounts, contacts. So the core functionality, since it's going to be the same, you will not going to find it harder in when you are migrating your career from Sable to Salesforce. You can still keep your 18 years of Siebel development project or customer handling experience. All that you have to go, you're going to learn is one another CRM, which is Salesforce. You can still keep the experience, whatever the salary you already received in a Siebel, right? With the same salary, you can also migrate to the Salesforce. You don't have to put any fake experience at all. You can keep your experience as it is in Siebel. Just clear the couple of Salesforce certifications like Salesforce Administrator, Salesforce Developer certification, and start applying for Salesforce opportunities. That's it. You can find, for comparing to the rest of the people, for you, it is going to be very easy transition. Thank you. That I hope that answered the question. We'll move on to the next question. To the next, I hope you are able to visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Please read that question, then you answer that.
Sure. So which mode of learning, online or offline, will be useful to get job as early as possible? So like absolutely, it is in offline. Like in that in the candidate's perspective, we need to see, like if the candidate is learning in online, they can learn, like if the candidate is very passionate and they have to complete the training, like every day they can able to spend some 6 to 9 hours, like then they can able to complete the training like as yearly. But in classroom, as we have already showed the video, you can like daily you are going to sit in the classroom 9 to evening 6 o'clock. Like we have the schedule, we have the schedule of total 9 to 6 hours. Like you are going to come to the classroom, and daily you will be having attending the meditations and journalings. So like we have some life skill sessions as well, you can attend, and focusedly you can learn some 4 to 5 hours of like modules, and you can attend the review and status call. And here in AJ Skill Development Academy, we are having 2 to 3 trainers for you to clarify your doubts then and there, and daily status calls and technical presentations will be there. Like from outside Salesforce working professionals will come and take their explaining their success stories, and you can build the community in Salesforce. So that is a very important thing. In online, you will be having, you will be getting all the modules and curriculums and training benefits. So there is no difference between the modules in online or offline, but how you are going to learn, so that is very important. In offline, you can stay focusedly learn, and you can build the community, and you can stay updated, and you won't get any lag in offline. So you can pretty easily able to complete the course, like within 4 to 6 months. It's depend upon your dedication, like how you are going to crack, and absolutely
sorry to interrupt on this, Harish. So the question is very simple, like should I go with online training or offline training? Few hours back, Stania has joined and explained, right? This is the first time I'm meeting Stania, because she was our online trainee, somebody learning from Bangalore. We are in Chennai. How Stania is able to make up? End of the day, it's all about your discipline. If you are someone who are not in a distracted place, Ashok, I'm a kind of a person who can be focused throughout the day. I don't have any distractions with me. Even if people plays mobile in front of me, I don't take mobile phone and watch reels for the hours. I'm a person who is disciplined and dedicated to learning. Appadina, online is far better for you. This is for the people who are all disciplined enough to learn. But if you are someone says, no, I'm a kind of a person, I often get distracted, I need a team of people or group of people to sit and learn, I need a fellow colleague to help me every single time, I always want to be part of a team to learn. If you are someone who wish to be part of a community and learn, then go for offline training. That's the only difference. Okay, so anybody can learn. Well, as I said, only 60 people are learning from offline. There are 600 people are learning from online. How they are able to learn? They feel that they are able to learn, sit, study for hours. So if you are someone who needs distraction-free zone, because here right from the morning 9 to 6, we don't give mobile phones for people. We take it and give it only at the end of the day. So it depends on the individual, you can choose, but our training program, the way that you interact with us, the way we support our materials, content, placement assistant, it's going to be same for everyone, whether online or offline. There is no difference. Thank you. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is here.
Okay, so do I need any prior computer knowledge such as Java, Python before joining the Salesforce? Like, or can I learn course without any programming background? Please clear this. That's okay. So yeah, yeah, it is a good question actually. Also, we would like to clarify, like, so the candidates from career gap, fresher or non-IT or IT. So we don't expect any computer science background. So whomever is willing to learn consistently and they have logical thinking, they can easily able to learn Salesforce. So there is no doubt on that. You have to stay focused and you have to clear all the curriculum and you have to complete the assessments and mock. Then you can able to easily place. So like as I showed already, I just want to show one more time.
You can turn on your video as well, Harish. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sure. So as I have already said, this candidate is from BSc Computer Science. So this candidate don't have any computer science background. So he just came as a fresher and he was in BSc Mathematics. And after the training, he got placed as a Salesforce developer. You can able to see. So he is working in Casa Grande now. So there is no need of that. And then if the candidate is having the coding background and they can able to easily complete the training before of the before the candidates, like they can easily able to complete. And if the computer background is not there, they will take some extra time, that's it. So there is no difference between that. Also, so many of the other background candidates also completed within the 3 months and 6 months also. So it is absolutely depend upon the candidate how much they are going to learn consistently. Yeah, thank you. What about the online people? Will they get any internship opportunity? Yeah. So online people, yes, we do opportunity. We do have opportunity for online people as well. They can complete the course and they can get the POC projects, like POC internship. They can do, like once they completed the criteria, then they can go for the internship. Like minimum 3 months of internship and certificate we can provide to the candidate.
Harish, you can stop share your screen, Harish. Thank you. Yes, we provide online internship as well. Those who, but to be part of this internship, you must complete at least the basic admin training and our assessment to be part of any internship program. Okay, next question. Here you go, the next question. Okay, I think.
I'm from Chennai. My age 29 and I have 9 years of experience in BPO field, and now I wanted to switch to IT. Is that possible in this stage? Do I have any long run in the Salesforce career? Okay. Yeah, so you can able to learn Salesforce. So there is no, you can able to learn easily. Like as I have already showed that lot of the non-IT background candidates, they have switched their career into Salesforce. So all we have told that you have to come, I would like to show the non-IT profiles. So how they shift career from non-IT to IT. So we can take look on this example, like this candidate, his name is Pandikumar. He is a hotel management background candidate. So he got trained in HSD and he got placed 1 minute.
In the meantime, he is searching for that profile. You're asking about, do I have long run in this Salesforce career, right? Which means you just started the career, which means I can say 9 years, and 9 years is not a big experience, to be honest. 9 வருஷம் தான் அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் பெரிய எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸே கிடையாது. Salesforceல there are people with 15 years, 20 years, 25 yearsலாம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸோடலாம் இருக்காங்க. எப்படி அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, they understand the fundamental of CRM. That is what is important. Salesforce, what is more important than Salesforce? Understanding that. Maybe you can search for the profile in the LinkedIn, Harish. Pandikumar, search panni paarenga. So Srinivasan, to answer your questions, 9 years is not a big big thing. You can still switch your career. All that you need to do is a constant and disciplined learning. I have seen a lot of people joining they want to join the course, but they don't have the discipline of putting the consistent effort. That is what really important when you are planning to switch your career. At least every single day, if you are able to spend 1 hour to upskill yourself for the better salary, for better career, definitely it is possible. Whatever the salary you are getting right now, you can expect 30 to 40% hike from the current salary. To get that salary, you must have a good knowledge in Salesforce. Right from the day one, you should be able to work on the Salesforce. Take a look at that LinkedIn profile. This guy is somebody from the hotel management background. Now he is working for the top MNC called Wilco. He's trained here and he referred to Wilco by us. Wilco is our customer and our tied-up partner. We referred him to Wilco 1 year back. Now he is working for Wilco. So part of AG Skill Development Training Program, we provide guaranteed placements for all the interns who are all joining our training. If you want to become the part of our guaranteed placement program, all that you have to do is you have to clear 5 assessments. Right from the day one you join, you start learn our curriculum, you start complete the course, 5 assessments. If you clear 5 assessments and 1 real-time project you are going to do along with us. If you clear 5 assessment on real-time project, we provide you guaranteed placement, but we cannot give you guaranteed 10 lakh salary, 20 lakh salary, 50 lakh salary and all. We definitely give you the placement. The placement starts from minimum 2.5 LPA to maximum 7 LPA because we able to provide the guaranteed placements for all the beginners. If you're someone already have experience, we can provide guaranteed placement referrals, which means the salary package depends upon how do you perform, your communication skill, your past experience, and your current skill level. That depends on the salary package can be determined. But we can provide the guaranteed placement for all the people. I hope that answers the questions. Okay, next we move on. Yeah.
Once we completed the Salesforce in your organization, you will hire in your company, and also we can work project in your DigiKAS company. Yeah, Muhammad Harris. Okay. So yes, Muhammad Harris, we have already hired some of candidates. Like they have to prove their skills, and we have some assessment. As Ashok told, we have some assessments, and if they have cracked the assessment, and we can happy to hire. And as Ashok told, we are currently doing so many projects in Salesforce and Zoho and Odoo CRM. So candidate, we will hire the candidate and they can able to work here. And I can show the profile. Her name is Preeti Bhaskar, and she is currently working like past 1 year. She is working here, and she completed the training here. Once she completed the college, and immediately she joined in Salesforce in our academy, and she got placed in DigiKAS, and she is working as a developer now. And you can see so many profiles in Salesforce. Like her name is Mani Meghale. She is also working in DigiKAS. So around close to 10 people working in AJ Skill Development, DigiKAS Private Limited India in our Salesforce and Zoho projects.
Okay. See, not only me, if I have to hire somebody or if any company going to hire you, all that they look for only one thing. Ilaya, the first 1 hour, that's what I told you. I have customers. DigiKAS has a customer who want us to resolve the problem. We are going to hire someone who has the capability to resolve the problem. Simple. If you understand the Salesforce really well, if you understand the tool really well, if you're able to resolve the business problem, you'll be hired not only by DigiKAS, by any organization. Whether you are a fresher, IT, non-IT, career gap, look at that. Recently, Harish has shared person with 19 years of career gap got placed. Now she's working for the organization called Deloitte. How it is possible? She has a good problem-solving skill. That's how it works. Okay. Next question. Okay, people, before we answer for the next question, stay till the end. There is a reward for all the people who are all staying till the end. And whoever wants me to answer the questions in Tamil, you can also put it in the Tamil. Tanglishla kuda podunga. Tamil la kuda ungalukana answers naanga kandipa enna pandrona kudukrom. If you want to talk in Tamil and you also want to get the clarity. So here you go, the next question from Anusha. Yes, go ahead.
So I'm from Vizag and 12 years gap and didn't have any experience. 2024 passed out and BTech CSE background. I got clarity. What are the timings for the training? And online people also get POC training certificate. Yes, we are providing the POC for online, and they can able to get the minimum 3 months of POC certificate. Also, what are all the timings? So, as we have already told, we have morning 6 to night 9 a.m. sessions. So you can like whenever you are available, you can able to learn with us.
Okay, thank you, Harish. So online people also can be part of our POC program. Not only POC, sometimes DigiKAS works on some research projects. In DigiKAS, we works on some project proposals. What we do whenever we have project proposal, right? We put it in our group, in our AJSD group says that I need 5 people who wants to work for DigiKAS. Of course, it's unpaid, okay? But those during the 2 months or 3 months, you are going to work with the real project. You face the real challenges. You are going to gain a real experience. If we are able to win the project, because we are going to work on the POC project, right? We work on the POC project, we give it to the customer, and if we able to win the project, the project will come to DigiKAS. Whoever works on the project as a fresher, right? We are going to hire them because they are the one who worked for the project. So now the POC is available for online and offline. All that you need to give is minimum 3 months of your time. Morning 9 to evening 7, you should be available for minimum 3 months. Only with that commitment only, we can bring you into the POC. Thank you. How much it would cost for the admin course? Yes.
Okay, so in cost part, you can directly contact our career counselor and they will.
Maybe we can give the clarity about the cost, Harish. If you have a brochure with us, you can share the brochure, the costing part, but nothing to hide from the costing perspective. Our cost, maybe if you are someone watching this recording, the cost, what we are going to show is the present day cost. The cost may increase or decrease subject to the industry standards and expectations. Okay. Just because you are watching this recording doesn't mean you are going to give the same cost for all the time. Harish, maybe if possible, maybe you can open the brochure and you can share the costing part. Or if Venkat or anybody is available, please upload that brochure in the files. We can also share to them. We'll come to this part later, Priya. Our team is working on the brochure thing. If they got the brochure, they will share it to you. Okay, fine.
And third year and final.
Stop share the screen, Harish, please.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm in a final year of college. It's good time to learn Salesforce. Now from your academy, virtually also it is possible to get internship certificate and from your company by end of the year. I think we have already, answer to this question. Yeah, you can after completion of college, you can learn Salesforce with us and you can gain the internship certificate with our academy.
Okay, if you're Shivani, this is for you. If you're someone in the third year or final year of your college, what we would suggest, you can join online the program. Definitely for your final year, you are going to do some project. What you can do the project with our support. There are many people who have done that final year project with our support. You don't have to pay for the projects again for outside. What you can do, you can learn Salesforce. You can do from DigiKAS, we can give you the project. You can do that project and you can also present it for your college. You can very well put it in your resume and start apply for opportunities. There are many people nowadays doing college students from second year, third year and final year are doing projects with us. You can also be part of that. Maybe once you completed college, if you still want to be part of our offline internship, you can come to Chennai as well. Thank you. So people are asking fee structure. So do we have that brochure with us?
Yes, Ashok. Can I share the screen?
Please share the screen and explain the fee structure, just the basic fee structure on it. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just explain about our fees and how it works. So if the candidate is if the candidate is don't have any coding background and they can able to spend some 9 hours, and if the candidate is from non-IT or career gap or fresher, minimum the candidate will take 4 months to 6 months to complete the training if they are consistently learning for a 9 hours. So we would suggest the course of like unlimited plus 180. Why? Because 180 days you will be getting all the access, and after the 180 days also every year you can renew our course. Like each and every month Salesforce will get updated, so all the updates we will give to all our AJSD like alumni and our trainees or our existing students and everyone. So we can give all the updates to the candidate. Like recently a workshop has happened, every workshops and everything we can give in this unlimited plus 180 pack. Also in 120 days, who can take the 120 days? Like whomever is having IT background, like they are having already a coding background or they are having Salesforce experience. So many Salesforce experience candidate also will come to learn the course. So they can take the career accelerated course. So it is like 39,899, and for unlimited plus 180 like 49,899. So what is Launchpad? So Launchpad is like if the candidate like any freshers or someone who want to know what is Salesforce and how it is working, and I want to do one project with this, so we can give this 90 days course. In this 90 days course we will cover all the topics, and you can complete the basics of Salesforce admin and development, and you can do one project. But in 120 and 180 days it's totally different. Like you can do a number of projects with us, and you are going to complete 5 assessments and 2 mock interviews, and we will schedule the interview calls for you. Like 120 days we can provide the placement assistance. Why? Because in 120 days you can cover all the modules and you can complete the training, but when coming to the project you have to complete minimum 2 projects to getting our placement guarantee program. Like we have some criteria, so you have to complete 2 projects and 5 assessments and 2 mock interviews, then we will like guarantee we can provide the placement. So I think Ashok I have covered the basic
basically we have only 3 courses: 90 days, 120 days, 180 days. Share பண்ணுங்க ஹரிஷ் அந்த. See, I strongly recommend people to enroll for unlimited 180 days course, because that comes with guaranteed placements we offer. Because on the average, people are taking 6 months to learn Salesforce and also work on real project. We provide guaranteed placement for everyone who clear our 5 assessment and 1 real project. We will be giving the real-time project for them to place. So most of the time they are taking 5 to 6 months to work on this. But on the same time, if you are someone taking the 120 days course, but still you are able to clear 5 assessments and also you are able to complete the 1 full project, you also falls under our guaranteed placement program only. So don't worry about the placement. We are with you until you get placed. The 90 days program, I recommend only for people who don't worry about placement, who just want to know what is Salesforce, how it works, who also want to know work on the basics of Salesforce and basics of projects. That is ideal for you. For freshers, we recommend only 180 days. If you are somebody already having IT experience, we recommend 120 days. If you are someone just want to explore what is in Salesforce, maybe you can take 90 days. But if you are someone serious about placement, I want job placement for sure, because I'm spending a lot of time and energy in learning, then it is recommended to get unlimited. What is that unlimited? The moment you enroll for this, our unlimited program, you get access to all our materials, live sessions, future live sessions, and everything with annual renewals, which means 180 days, you will get all our support, placement assistant, and everything. After 180 days, you can renew it for just 1,000 rupees. You can get all the support for year on year, which means until as long as you need us, we are going to with you. Whatever the career you go in your Salesforce career, like admin, developer, after 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, still the support is going to with us. All the live assistance, all the material assistance, all the workshop assistants is going to be with us. Okay. Next, let's go on to the next one. You can stop share your screen, Harish.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yeah. So, yeah. Hi, Rishikant. Yeah, we can provide the installments. Like you can do the course with EMI options, and you can do it. And for accommodations, like we can give the PG, PG context. Like our students are staying in some of PGs. We can give you the context. You can get the accommodations. Yes.
Okay. Rishinath, you were asked about scholarships, right? As of now, we don't offer scholarships, but we have an initiative in AJSD called Null Vidaigal. Tamil sollaponna, I mean English la good seeds அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. What we are doing part of this program called Null Vidaigal, we identify candidate monthly ones who are from Tamil medium, who are from government school, who studied their till 12th standard, who studied in their government school, and who have 75% of mark in +2 and college, and also from computer science background, right? And if their family annual income is below 5 lakh, and if they are if they lost a mom or dad, somebody from the underprivileged background and from government school, studied government school, and having 75% of mark, right? We provide zero cost training for one student per month. So if you're somebody watching this and you know somebody who is from the deserving background, economically backward, but they are very shrewd, they completed a college in a computer science background, and also 75%, the total family income falls below 5 LPA, you can very well refer them to us. We provide and we verify all the background verification, and we provide them zero cost training for student. Few minutes back, Harish has showed Preeti Bhaskar, right? Preeti Bhaskar is also coming from that kind of background. Preeti lost her mom and dad, and she was brought up by the grandfather, studied in government school and government college. We provide zero cost training to Preeti, and considering her work and shrewdness, we hired her in DigiKAS as well. So of course we are doing business, of course we are providing a lot of we develop software, we give training. At the same time, we are also able to support people who are deserving under the scheme called Null Vidaigal. So if any one of you fall under the category, also very well reach us. We are ready to check your background, and we can provide you zero cost Salesforce training. Or any one of your friends or family who are deserved, you think, and you want us to support them, feel free to refer them to us. We are happy to provide them the zero cost Salesforce training with guaranteed placements. Thank you. Next, let's move on to the next one. Yeah. Read the question, Harish. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So how your course training will be? It's like we will join in batch of people, fixed timing, or will be time flexible individual training? Okay. Yes. Hi, Prabhu. So we are providing flexible timings. So as I have told you, I can show how our candidates will get the training. Like only like I can show the channel. So when you are entered into AJSD, like when you are enrolled into our academy, you can see that morning 6 to night 10 p.m. sessions. So whenever you are available, morning 6 to night 10 p.m. So on these timings, you can join the session and you can clarify your doubts. Then you can get your reviews from the tech lead. So all these sessions will be there. You can you can choose any one session with individual. So it's not like a batch, one batch they will conduct everyone for a session like that. So the trainer will address your questions individually. So it will be flexible. Like if you, for example, if you are asking, I want 7:30 evening, so you can join in 7:30 session and you can get the clarity from the trainer, and you can ask your questions and your doubts. They will clarify your doubts also. Not only one-to-one guidance, we have the community. As I have already told, we are building the community. So we have co-learner sessions. In this session, around active participants, 600 plus candidates are there. So whomever is having the doubt, they can enter into the session. Like we will conduct minimum of 5 sessions in a day. So in this session, they can join and they can clarify their doubts in this session. So we have flexible timing, so no need to worry about that. Thank you. What support and guidance AJSD DigiKAS provide to people who willing to become an employer? Is there any platform through which we can reach entrepreneur who start their business in Salesforce ecosystem? Yeah. So I think Ashok have showed one guy called Srinivas Parameshwaran, I think. He's the example for that. Also, Ashok is the example for that. He started his career in Salesforce and he got experience, and he started a company called DigiKAS Private Limited India, and you can see the candidate as well.
Basically, so this is for Birappa. If you are someone who wants to start your own firm, the first thing what you have to do is first work for any organization at least for minimum 2 to 4 years, especially when it comes to Salesforce. Only when you have a real-time project experience, real-time client-facing experience, real-time polished challenge experience, eventually you will come to know how to become an employer. You cannot become an employer unless or until you work as an employee. So my strong recommendation, of course, each and every one part of this training or watching this video recording, you have the potential to become an employer. You can start your own firm one day. But to start your own firm, you have to first work for the organization, understand the end-to-end business, how Salesforce or any CRM can help the business, and how to understand the customers. If you're able to do that, right, eventually you can start your own business. But if you are someone serious about start your own business, right, you have my number. Feel free to reach out to me. Happy to assist and support a fellow entrepreneur. Thank you. Next question, please.
What is the schedule for online people? You have showed how offline works. I think one question before I have answered. So you can schedule your timings. Like when you are, whenever you are available, you can get the slot from the career counselors and you can attend the session. So there is no schedule concept. Like whenever you are available, we have a flexible timings. You can join and you can clarify your doubts and sessions. Thank you.
Okay. There is another question from Sailaja. Can we do intern program in online mode? And we have answered yes, you can do. Next question. I'm pretty much confident in admin part, and I have worked and made a project approval process, validation flows, record page, OWD. Okay, but I need the interview preparation support from AJST through online. Is that possible? Good question. Yes, Harish.
Okay. So yes. Okay. Okay. So yes, we will provide you the interview preparation assistance. Like once like if the candidate is coming like I have 3 years or 4 years of experience in Salesforce and I want to clear the interview only, so we can't give directly the interview calls and schedules. What we will do is we will conduct some pre-assessments for them, and we will assess the candidate. Like for example, we will give some topic case studies like data security, lightning flows, triggers, like that. So they can complete the assessment with us, and they can enroll for the project and interview. So once they came into the project and interview, they can get I think I have showed the POC projects and things, right? So the candidates are all complete the interview preparations with us, and they will complete the assessments with us. Once they complete the assessments, we can happy to share the interview calls for the candidates. So they can complete the pre-assessments with us, and they can do the project and interview with us, like mock interview and assessments with us. Then directly they can go for a placements. I think Ashok, can we go next question?
Sorry, yes, we can go for next question. Just a moment. Project. Yes.
I'm a Salesforce QA with 3.5 years of experience, certified admin, have a good understanding of Apex triggers, asynchronous Apex. I need some real world project implementation. How can AJSD help build confident land as a job in Salesforce development? Okay. Yeah. So okay, good. So you have experience in admin, and you have understanding of Apex triggers and asynchronous Apex. As I have already told you, so like if you are well okay with the admin and development.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt, Harish. So looks like last two questions is all about you guys are already have prior knowledge in Salesforce, and all that you need clarity about how real project works. You need a help on project to know how to work on project, and you need help on the placements alone, right? So let me share this one. Please take a look at that. How AJSD can help people who already have prior Salesforce knowledge. Let me show you. To get job referrals, or you are unable to clear interview due to lack of real-time exposure, then this is for you. AJSD Academy, a Salesforce authorized trailblazer workforce partner in association with DigiKAS India Private Limited. We provide you guaranteed job referrals and along with real-time project and POCs to help you gain hands-on experience and face real-time challenges. In this program, you are going to work on a real-time project, and you're going to follow SDLC, software development lifecycle, and also you're going to practice agile methodology. Along with that, you're going to sit with the client, gather the requirement, you're going to create the BRD, and you are the one going to create a project implementation document, and you're going to develop the software in different sandboxes like Dev, QA, UAT, and you're going to follow the deployment process, including using the different deployment tools like Git, GitHub, DevOps Center, and etc. Along with this, you're going to prepare and manage project documentation such as deployment checklists, user manuals, technical implementation document, test cases, test results, and you're going to manage the end-to-end Salesforce project lifecycle too. And you're going to face real-time client challenges, and you're going to learn how to resolve them. This experience will give you confidence not only to clear interview, but also to work independently on real-time Salesforce project. There are many people who have already undergone this project-based training and successfully secured placement. You can be one of them. The eligibility to enroll for this training program, you must have a good knowledge on admin. That includes lightning flows, reports and dashboards, and also Apex triggers, and of course LWC. Those who have this knowledge can enroll for this training program. We conduct a pre-assessment, including to ensure you got the knowledge of all those above mentioned topics. Whoever clear the pre-assessment, they get the opportunity to work with us in the real-time project and gain the real-time exposure. If you cannot commit full time, you can also be part of the POC based project with all the same benefits, where you can practice at your convenience and report your project manager for review. Make use of this program where you're going to get the real-time exposure to work with the real-time client, and you're going to get the real-time challenges that not only going to help you to get the job, but also going to help you to work independently. To enroll for this training program, please WhatsApp to this number. Our team will reach out to you, and all the way. For this initiative for people who already have Salesforce knowledge, and if you say I already have Salesforce admin knowledge, already have Salesforce development knowledge, all that I need to work for some real-time projects so I can gain a hands-on, and I need some interview assistance. Maybe I need you to help me to prepare for interview. I need you to refer for placements. We provide this as an exclusive program for those people, and for that we conduct a pre-assessment to test whether you really got admin and development knowledge. If you got that knowledge right, definitely we are going to support you with this. I hope that answers the question. All right. What is the schedule of online? I think already we have seen. I have 10 years experience. Next question. Okay, maybe whether Prakash is available, Harish? Maybe if Prakash bro is available, you can ask Prakash bro. Until that, maybe let me answer this question. I have 10 years of experience in email marketing. Salesforce Marketing Cloud will help for me. Yes, I request definitely explore Salesforce Marketing Cloud. That will definitely help you if you're somebody from the email marketing or any other marketing space. You can explore Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But before that, learn the Salesforce fundamental. For that, you may need to learn Salesforce admin. Then you can pursue for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay. The next question is about offline timing. Yes, the next question. Harish or Prakash, you can answer this question.
Okay. So what is the offline timings? Okay. So in offline, we are having morning 9 to evening 6 o'clock, and we have already shared the schedule how the offline training will works. I think we have already answered, but the timing is 9 to evening 6 o'clock and Monday to Friday. If any candidate is willing to come on Saturdays, we are happy to we can able to accommodate here in Saturday. So it is like full of their willingness. But Monday to Friday, it is compulsory to the come and morning 9 to evening 6 o'clock. Thank you. Is there any time duration to complete the course? Okay, so I think I have answered this question in a brochure. Like if we have 3 months, 4 months, and 6 months. It is according to the candidate. If the candidate is spending some 9 hours in a day, they can complete within 4 months to 6 months. Completed my BTech triple 13 years ago, a career gap due to the exam preparation. I self-learned admin and development, Apex triggers for last 4 months, some CPQ, and currently reviewing revenue co. I'm right track for getting job quickly. Yeah, so after career gap, you have learned admin and development. Yeah, once your real-time project knowledge and everything is good, then you can complete the, like if you have some project knowledge, definitely you can land your job in Salesforce. So there is no restriction on that. You can learn. So you have to get to know that how much you have real-time projects in each and every topic. So in nowadays in market, you have to show your real world skills. Like when you enter into the job, in first day onwards you have to work. So that kind of preparation you have to do in AJ skill development, especially minimum of 4 years to 6 years of experience they can gain in our curriculum and in our project. So if you have that adequate of knowledge, then easily able to place as a Salesforce developer or admin. Thank you.
Okay, and to add to your question, like you are learning CPQ, learning revenue cloud, I will say if you are someone trying for a fresher job, you don't have to learn all this stuff. You can ignore CPQ, you can ignore revenue cloud. Make sure you are good in the fundamentals, Salesforce platform, which means admin. You should know what is admin, how the admin things are work, and you should know what is data security, reports, dashboards, and you should also have the clarity about developments, Apex, triggers, flows, LWC. It is enough. Don't spend your time on learning CPQ. Don't spend your time on learning any cloud at all. Make sure your fundamentals and platforms are really very strong, and do one full project and put it in your resume. If you are going to apply for DigiKAS, right? What I will ask, okay, tell about the project which you worked on. What are the challenges you have faced in the project? And I will ask you to open your developer Salesforce org. I ask you to share the screen. Tell me what and all you have developed. If you are someone fresher looking for Salesforce opportunity, project is must one. You go to any interview, they will definitely ask about the project. I hope that answered the question, Arun Kumar. And வேற யாருக்காவது தமிழ்ல கேள்விகள் இருந்தாலும் நீங்க தாராளமா கேட்கலாம். As we told in the beginning, if you have any questions in Tamil also, please ask. We can definitely answer in Tamil as well. Okay, next question. Looks like they are finding difficulty. Can you provide internship and certification for SF admin? Yes, you can come and join the training program here. Based on the number of duration you work and do the internship, we provide internship certification. Says that so and so worked with us in this duration. Part of this program, you can get it. So next, what are the fees and EMI option we have already covered. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is yes.
Thank you. So for a career gap persons, do we also have aptitude and GD round like a fresher? Yeah, so in a company, for sure, employees will expect like your aptitude and GD and everything. So you have to gain like once you are entering into IT, so for sure your communication and your attitude, your behavior, everything is important in IT. So because you are going to interact with the client and your communication importance, like you have to understand the project and flows and everything, then only you can able to work with the clients and developers and with the team, right? So it is absolutely important.
Don't worry, not every interview they are going to ask you for aptitude and GD and all. Depends on the company they do. Maybe I will say 10-20% of the companies they conduct aptitude round, but rest of the 80-90% they're going to assess only your Salesforce skill. Okay. So the next question.
I have 2.3 years of experience, but I do not have real-time project experience. I wanted to start my career in Salesforce. I'm not so good at coding. Should I choose admin or developer role? Yeah, so yeah, it is very good question. Actually, in AJ skill development and in India current market, for sure, all the candidates should learn development. Why? Because in India, most of the companies are doing service based. Like we are doing service for, abroad clients. So we have to learn the development and no need to think that much about the development. Anyone can learn the Salesforce coding like Apex language and JavaScript. We are here to start from the scratch to give you the knowledge of development, and you can able to gain all the codings and real-time projects with us. Like once you are entering into the academy, we will be providing you each and every topic's case studies. Like we are going to real-time scenarios to you. You are going to complete the scenario and you are going to get the review for that also. And especially you learning the development will help you to get the more and more opportunities. Like in companies, if you are learning the development, you'll be getting calls like compared to the admin, developer opportunities are higher.
Harish, you may take a rest, Harish. It's been close to 4 hours. Feel free to relax. You can turn off and you can relieve in fact you want. Maybe Santosh and Prakash can answer the question. I will also guide them. Rest of the questions we will answer, Harish. You can take off. Thank you. To answer
Ashok,
this
sorry to
question,
interrupt.
you
Can you
pointed
hear
yourself
my
to
voice?
experience, and I do not have real-time project experience. So I want to start my career in Salesforce. I'm not so good at coding, but you can choose coding. Don't worry about coding because very few minutes ago, what I showed you, right? Go to ChatGPT, ask for anything. Go to Cloud, ask for anything. Everything is going to become AI. Your work is give work to Cloud or ChatGPT, copy the code, put it in the developer console. That's it. All that you need is a fundamental knowledge. What is CRM? How CRM can help the business? Which Salesforce concept should I use? If I'm going for automation, should I go for flows? Should I go for a approval process? Should I go for a trigger? If you're going to use trigger, why you use trigger? Like that, if you have the real-time experience, right, it is enough. How to get the real-time experience? Only by doing the projects. Either you can do a POC projects or you can do projects all by your own. So don't worry about coding at all. If you are all in 2026, we are all living in an AI era. If you are someone say, I am afraid of coding, I don't think my coding is my cup of tea now, you guys are fooling yourself. You are not going to do coding at all. You are going to give a work to AI. The AI will do the coding to you. Okay, thank you. So next question. Yes.
So can you hear me now?
Yes, bro, go ahead, please.
Okay, let me handle it. So which program language are you prefer to learn Salesforce usually? Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell one thing. So there is a no prerequisite, so anybody can learn Salesforce. But somebody is this kinds of program is already learned, it's easy for you means most of the person, I give you one guidance. So like most of the Java developers are taking the Salesforce training because we have one candidates like in abroad. I think her name is Suganya. She done a Java developer programming. She left the job and then she taken the Salesforce training there. That Java syntax and everything is related to the Salesforce Apex codings, JavaScript and HTML, CSS. It's very easy for her. So if you come with the Java developer, it's added advantages, and JavaScript, HTML, CSS is added advantages for you. In case if you don't have a coding idea, means no worries. Here we are going to provide you the workshop videos. That workshop video is going to helpful for your basics learning of the programming side. So if Java is added advantages to learn the Salesforce, and if don't have a programming knowledge, no worries. We are providing the workshop videos.
Okay. Thank you, Prakash. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So guys, if you are talking about programming, screen teridala, bro?
I can see.
Okay. So if you're talking about programming language, look at that. Part of our curriculum, we are covering the fundamentals of programming, which means OOPS concept. You don't have to study any programming language just to become a Salesforce developer. All that you need to have the fundamentals of the OOPS, which means what is variable, what is data type, what is if loop, for loop. Like Prakash told, the Apex language is used in the Salesforce, which is similar to Java, but it doesn't mean you need to learn Java to become a Salesforce developer. Even if you are someone who have no idea about programming, don't worry, you can straight away come and join this training because we are going to start right from the scratch. Nowadays, 5th standard, 6th standard people are started learning the fundamentals of OOPS, which is something very easy to learn. And our training materials also supporting the same. As Prakash mentioned, you can also very well check our training materials, samples we have uploaded in our website as well. We are starting right from the scratch. All the training trial materials are available. And if you are someone afraid of coding, afraid of Salesforce, we are providing 7 days of trial. The demo videos are available in our website under Salesforce training menu. You can go and check the demo videos to understand. Apart from that, we also provide 7 days of trial training. You don't have to enroll for the course directly. Enroll for the 7 days of trial training. See whether you are able to learn, work, then you can be part of this training program. Okay. So next question.
What about guaranteed placement for online? Okay. Here, let me give you some clarity. Whether it's online training, offline training, the people definitely will get a guaranteed place from AJ skill development. And the only thing is, you have to follow the instruction. Whether Harish previously showed the brochure like 120-day subscription and 180-day subscription. Okay. So under the subscription, what are the things in the curriculum the trainer intimated to complete it? And so when it comes to the admin and development, let me tell you one thing. There is a 5 one-on-one assessment. Some of like first to 10 to 15 topics you completed, you have to attend one-on-one assessment with the trainer. Like that, first, once you completed the entire curriculum, admin and development, you have to clear all the 5 one-on-one assessment. Once you clear the one-on-one assessment, then finally you will be eligible for the AJST mock interview. So mock interview we are providing for the first 2 times. Then if you are attending the mock interview, you are going to pay for that. But our intention is not to get the money. Our intention is to clear the mock interview. So once you clear the mock interview, we start working for your interview preparation for resume building, LinkedIn, and interview question. Everything we are going to provide you. So what are the things? If you are following all the instruction, definitely you will get a guaranteed placement from our side. And this is not only for online, not offline. So who is having following this procedure, definitely you will get a guaranteed placements. So only thing is you please focus on the mock interview. Mock interview is very, very important to crack the company interviews. So please focus on mock interviews.
Thank you, Prakash. As Prakash bro mentioned, all that you need to do is complete the course, learn all the concepts. Second thing, clear our mock interview or 5 assessments. Complete 1 project. These are the 3 things you have to do. Complete the course, clear the assessment or mock interview, and do 1 full Salesforce project we are going to give you. Then we assure you, we provide you guaranteed job placements with a salary package minimum 2.5 to maximum 7 for beginners. Okay. Next question.
Okay, so I think this question is talking about the one-on-one assessment. It's so you will get a 2 one-on-one assessment in the admin part and 3 assessments in the development part. It comes under. So like a milestone part, like 10 topics if you completed. Take an example, data up to data admin to data security. If you completed, you have to attend 1 mock interview. Like that, total 5 assessment you have to complete. Admin 2 one-on-one one-on-one assessment, and the development comes 3 one-on-one assessment. You have to complete it. If there is a Salesforce developer, what are the basic coding part we do know from our end? Let me tell you one thing. So if it comes to the development, most of the people are not getting to selected in as a developer, even they have experience means. Main thing is they are not getting most hands-on experience. When it comes to the developer point of view, so from our side, what we are facing from the recruiter company who is having the very good knowledge in asynchronous up to asynchronous aspects and the LWC, they are getting placed because they are expecting some hands-on experience technically strong. So if you are very good with the asynchronous Apex and the LWC, definitely you will get a job opportunity. For as a developer and getting the job opportunity, these are the main things. Up to asynchronous Apex, you have to be very good knowledge, as well as LWC's main concept. You have to be very good knowledge in up to LWC in our curriculum. Once again, I will show you our 1 second. Give me a second. I will show our. I'm showing to my group.
So if your question is about if there is Salesforce developer, what are basic coding part we needs to know from our end? Like Prakash mentioned, Prakash bro is going to share the curriculum. You should know the fundamentals of OOPS, object-oriented programming language, right? Which is called in Salesforce. There is a language called Apex. You should know Apex, and you're going to learn. If you're somebody completely new, don't worry. We are going to teach the Apex right from the basics. Second thing, you're going to learn LWC, Lightning Web Component. That includes basics of HTML, basics of CSS, basics of JavaScript. That also we are going to teach right from the basic. What is JavaScript? How to create the first JavaScript? What is HTML? What is CSS? So the coding, when it comes to the coding part, again, you are not going to write the 100 lines, 200 lines of coding anymore. It's AI going to do it. But you should know the fundamentals of OOPS, which is and Apex, and the basics of HTML, basics of JavaScript, and basics of CSS. It is enough. If you are someone who don't know anything, don't worry. We are going to teach everything right from the scratch. Next question.
I mean, we have a live classes to learn concepts. Yes, we have. Actually, our training methodology, let me explain. Harish, in that video, you can clearly see that. So what we are usually doing is we are segregated our learning materials in one part, workshop in one part. So actually what we are doing in admin and development, we have a curriculum, right? For that, we have a main topics like in lightning flows, data security, this Apex. In comes to technical side development, Apex. These are the codings, basically who's from the non-IT background or even don't have an idea about the coding side. So we usually conducting for the live workshops here. So we have a daily basis of 2 hours. We are conducting the workshop. So these are the main concept. We directly start. We are in front of the trainer is taking the sessions and just giving the task to you. So you have to complete it. It is going to be a live classes. When it comes to the course curriculum, just before I showed you the entire curriculum, you will get the training materials. Training materials is very crystal and clear. You no need to refer anything, just another trainer. So there is a 2 languages we are going to provide you in the training, like English and Tamil. So which language is more convenient for you, you can learn it. So it's going to be uploaded in the LMS, Learning Management System, same like a Google Drive. There is a tool. So we are going to upload the materials in the LMS part. So daily basis, you have to go through the video material, understand the concept. After understanding, you have a review meeting sessions on daily basis. The timing will be Indian Standard Time, morning 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. We have a different trainers timing. So which timing is more convenient for your timing? You please pick any one of the trainer slot. The trainer is going to be a fixed one. So in the particular timing, regular basis, Monday to Friday, you have to connect with your trainer. What are the topics you completed in the video? So what are the doubts in the video? You have to interact with your trainer. And also, what are the topics? Each and every topic, there is an assessment there, hands-on practice. You need to practice it. Once you completed the topic, you also get a review from the trainer, and that hands-on is going to help you for your company interview. I'm honestly saying that is the hands-on is very important. So regular basis, you have to touch with your trainer. Whatever you have doubts, you can get a clarity for your trainer, and whatever case study you completed, you have to get a review from the trainer. So like this, we are providing both way of training. So the workshop is very, very important for the beginners and the basics level who start from the scratch from the Salesforce training. So we are conducting the workshops. Let me show you one thing again. Give me a second. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Can you? Yeah. Okay. So actually, this is actually our review meeting session. So what are the trainings we are going to conducting? So what are the topics like workshop we are conducting? Actually, we have a separate channel. So usually the trainer is conducting here. So what are the topics we covered? What are the things we are going to? It's in the live session. It's conducted in the LMS. So directly conducted in the trainees are participate in the session. So on the spot, they are just explaining the content. After that, they will provide the assessment to you. So you have to complete it and you have to submit your completion status to the trainer. So this data security is completely happening on the live workshop only. Apart from whatever I discussed with you, these are the training slots. So whatever topics in the video you completed, you have to join with the particular trainer. So you have one question to me. Definitely have this question to me. So if I completed, if I take an example, I'm taking 9 a.m. slot, 6 a.m. slot. If I get the doubts or review from the trainer, so again I started learning for the material. Still I wait for the next day morning, means no worries. Here we are providing for the co-learner session. First, I just want to know about what is co-learner session. Co-learner session is nothing but the senior trainees, interns, and the junior trainers are taking care of the session. This session is completely who is having the doubts, queries, they can directly join the session. You can connect with your senior students and the junior trainer. They will give you clarity for your queries. So this session is not conducting for like 1 hour. So this session is conducting for 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 3 p.m., night 9 p.m. These are the co-learner session. Along with this, you will get one trainer slot also. So any training slot, you can pick it based on your trainer. So total 5 hours, definitely you can connect with your live trainer. So whatever you have doubts, queries, you can instantly get a touch with your trainer. You can get a clarity, and what are the topics you completed, you can get the review from the trainer. So from HST, we are giving the live training, and also we are providing for the live review meeting session also. And going forward, we are planning to conduct the weekend session also. Who is have a working profession, who is want to spend for the weekend session means that also we are going to intimate you. If you are interested, you can also for joining the weekend session. Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 1 we are planning. That is open. We are definitely intimate you. You can join on the weekend session. It's not for only working profession who is willing to come to Chennai Academy, want to do the live interaction session with the trainer, you also can join on the particular weekend session. So both are available, and live session also we are going to conduct on weekends.
Thank you, Prakash. So, to answer simply, if you want live sessions where the tutor should come live and teach you, we conduct that as a workshops on a periodical basis. You can join. Illa, you want to learn at your convenience, we have our LMS material which is available. You can learn, or you need someone to support you online. We have, like Prakash shared, so in Zogo Click you can join and interact with anybody in live session, and you can get interaction. Or you want to come in person, you can do so, which means nothing is going to stop you. Whatever you ask, everything is available. The next question.
If you do POC live project, that time have some doubts or issues in your team, please support us. Yes, definitely. See here, let me tell you one scenario. When it comes to the POC, here we going to start with the team. So in your team members have like 6 to 7 members there. So whatever you have a doubts, queries, you can interact with your team members, get a clarity, and also you have an individual trainer as well for your same like a review meeting session. So what are the projects you are doing, doubts in the POC, definitely they are going to assist you.
Yes, as Prakash bro mentioned, just like we are going to with you, don't worry. It's not something we give it to you and you are going to develop all your own. Every single day, the review meetings, live sessions, everything is going to be conducted. You can be in touch with us. Okay, next question. Yes.
Ashok, can you show it one more time? I'm not able to see that. Ashok, I'm not able to hear you.
Okay, the next question is, not having experience in Salesforce, but other CRM experience, they will consider me as a fresher or experience.
Okay, so if you are working in IT, simple thing is, if you are already working in IT in different CRM domain, most of the companies you will consider as a experienced person. Not in domain wise, your previous experience definitely considered, and IT experience into your previous CTC, definitely you will get a good hike. Definitely you will consider as a experienced person. But when it comes to the Salesforce, I'm giving some example. Okay, I'm working in like a CPQ. So I'm just completed CPQ and I want to go for the Salesforce developer. If I'm getting like a 13 LPA, if I'm shift to the Salesforce CRM, Salesforce developer, will I get 20 LPA? Not like that. Means definitely when you're switching to Salesforce means you will be considered as an experienced person in IT. When come to the technology, definitely they are going to expert at least 4 to 5 years of knowledge in Salesforce development, because you are in different CRM. So when it comes to Salesforce means you have that technical knowledge in admin and development. The first they will validate it. If you, I honestly say that if you cover our AGST entire curriculum, you will get a 3 to 4 years of hands-on knowledge. So that hands-on knowledge definitely will crack the interview. Second thing is, when you're switching to Salesforce, not only these are all added advantages to negotiators area I'm talking about. So first try to complete the course. And the curriculum, if you are technically strong, that's added advantage. Second one is try to do these POCs or real-time projects. As I said, right, here in AJ Skill Development, we have some real-time projects also. We have another company name called DigiKAS. We are doing the Salesforce implementation projects. Let me share my screen once again. Can you see my screen, Ashok?
Yes, bro.
Okay. So this is our charity cross project channel. So in this channel, our tech lead Shobana is taking care of the project. So in that project, so same like a real-time project, what the project is we are doing with the clients, you are going to also participate in the project. Once you completed admin and development training, you please participate in the project, get some real-time experience, hands-on experience. Regular basis, you will get a case studies, user stories, you have to complete it. And whatever the topics you are completed, everything you're doing in the real-time projects, end of the day, that means every day 6:15 exactly you will get a review meeting session called with the trainer. So let me play one video just to 2 seconds. So 6:15 exactly start for the review meeting session. So you people, experienced people, if you want to switch to Salesforce domain or getting a salary negotiation or getting good packages, means try to do these kinds of real-time projects. This added advantages for you.
Okay, bro. Anyway, we are not able to hear that, but it is okay.
Okay.
I hope that we covered that questions. Okay, next.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Okay, if you opt for unlimited, do we need to pay any money for just later or the, okay? Let me give you some clarity here. Here we have a subscription of courses. The reason is, so if you've taken like 90-day subscription, 120-day subscription, 1 day, so up to the time limit you will get the access, or up to the time limit you will get a touch with the HST, not like that. So this is subscription basis of course based on our previous report. So our classroom trainees, honestly I'm saying, our classroom trainees are who are dedicatedly spending for 8 hours. Might be they can complete this course as an experience. When somebody is already experienced, they can complete it in 4 months. Maybe they can complete it in 6 months. It's possible. After 6 months, I'm saying that if you're taken for 180 days plus, if you're taken like 49,800, just Hari showed the brochure, 49,800, based on your requirement, you can extend the subscription. Whether, so if you take an example, within 6 months, if you completed the course, I just to want to update the materials and other channel, whatever channels I just showed in front of you. So I want to access only channels means you try to enable the tribe membership. So that means next 12 months you will get a 4-hour material access, review meeting, whole channel access, all the channels, whatever I show it to you, you will get it for 12 months. That cost is 1,180. So per month it's below of 100. So you will get a, like a next 1 year of material access and other channel access. The reason is you will not limited people. So if you are taken the training, if you pay the amount this period, you only support HST, not like that. We are here for you. If you require the materials, if you read the review meeting session, everything based on your requirement, after 6 months, you renew it. So definitely have some fees. Like if you want to go for tribe membership for next year, 1180 you have to pay, or you want to renew with the review meeting session means per month for renew meeting session, 1970 you need to pay. But up to 6 months of subscription cost is 49,899. And if you require based on your requirement only, you please extend it. There is a charges there. It's a minimal charges.
Okay, to answer your question simply, your question is for unlimited. Once the unlimited course is 6 months, once it is over, do I need to pay for a job later? No, the answer is no. You don't have to pay us for getting the job opportunity. Once you become part of AJ skill development, right? You're going to be part of AJ skill development forever. What is that forever now? As long as you choose to leave us, we are not going to leave you. We are going to provide you job assistance, not only for your first job, we are going to provide the job assistance for your entire career. Take a look at this. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? Right. So this is our AJSD alumni community. Whoever studied and got placed from AJSD recently, everyone will be there. What we do whenever we come across any job openings, right, we are also going to post it here, and we are also refer them for all the job openings. So which means you're not going to be, we are not going to stop our service the moment you enroll the course, or we are not going to stop the service with your first job and all. We are going to with you throughout your career. That unlimited means it is unlimited. The once you choose unlimited program, you are going to get all our services unlimited throughout your lifetime, only with annual renewal. For example, you are paying 49,000 for 6 months, you get all the services. You feel like you want the services for next 2 months, what you're going to pay, just 1180, 1,180 you are going to pay, and you're going to get all the services for rest of the year, except the live one-to-one Q&A session, which because we need to pay for the clients. Your materials, job assistance, placement, co-learner assistance, LMS, Zogo Click, everything we are going to give unlimited for annual renewal of 1,180. Every year you will pay 1,180 and you get unlimited access. Today it is Agentforce. Tomorrow there may be new topics may comes in Salesforce. We still take a live sessions. We still take a live workshop. You can be part of this live sessions and workshop without paying anything apart from the membership cost. Okay, that answers the questions. Next, I'm not sure my career as I have learned Salesforce 7 dev but don't have certificate and confident in this. What should I do? So let me check. Is this a certified course? Will you provide a completion certificate? Okay, bro, here you go.
Is this a certified course? Will you provide completion certificate at the end of the course? Yes. Let me give you some clarity here. So in comes to the certification, there is a multiple types of certification. When it comes to AGST skill development, if you completed the training, if you properly completed the admin and development curriculum and you are ready for the interview or something, you just send a request to the support team. So this is the course I completed. I just want my course completion certificate. Yes, support team will take the ticket and they will assign it and they will provide your course completion certificate and they will share you to via electronic copy. This one. Second one is there is a Salesforce certification. You all are aware about that. So some of the people may be new. So there is a Salesforce certification when it comes to admin certification when it comes to development, platform developer and platform developer. This certification, you need to prepare it. And once your preparation is done, you have to apply for the examination. Then you have to attend it and you have to clear that. Once you clear the certification, you will get a certification through Salesforce. That you need to prepare it. For the preparation, we are going to assist you. So here we have a separate channel called Salesforce certification. In the channel, we are going to assist you for what are the who are all already completed the certification, who is already is preparing the certification, or also the trainer is available on the particular certification group. They will assist you. So you get the assistance from the senior students as well as the trainer and start preparing for the certification. Then apply for examination and you have to clear it. Once you clear it, you will get a certification from the Salesforce itself. Let me show you. Okay. I think Ashok is presenting that one certification.
Okay, if you look at my screen, you can visit AJSD website and you can see the list of people who studied here and able to clear Salesforce certifications. Clearing the Salesforce certification, it's not a big deal. If you learn the stuff, you can easily clear. Similarly, apart from this, we also provide you course completion certification. So which one is more valid? Salesforce certification is more valid, which is a global certificate. And we provide a certification says that you have completed the course because we are a Salesforce authorized partner. You can check here. You go to Trailblazer directory. We are authorized by Salesforce itself. You can go to Trailblazer directory, which is a Salesforce website, and you can search for the region called Asia Pacific, and you can see AJST is here, which means we are authorized Salesforce Trailblazer partner. We can give you the certificate says that you have completed the course. Once you completed the course, we can give you the course completion certificate from AJST, which is an authorized one from Salesforce itself. Okay, I hope that answers the question. Let's go next. Okay, next question.
I already learned Salesforce admin by direct. I want to join Salesforce admin course from AJST. Or you provide recording session for 1 year or more, and can you provide internship? I'm ready to work and internship. Do you provide? I hope we already discussed this one. So regarding the training methodology, regarding the internship, everything we discussed. So if you want to take the training or internship, yes, please do the internship. We have an option. And if you want to do the classroom training as an internship, please come and enroll. Or you want to do the through online means, yes, you can take it. And or you provide recording session for 1 year. As we discussed, there is a tribe membership after taking the training. That means of maximum subscription of 180 days. If you want to extend the subscription means, please enroll for the tribe membership. Or if you want with the review meeting session means, please enable with the review meeting session with the additional charges. And can you provide internship? I'm already working. Yes, once you've done the internship, you can get the internship certification from our side. Do you provide certificate? Yes, we are providing. After completion the internship, as Harish mentioned, minimum of 3 months. If you completed the major topic in the internship, yes, you will get the certification from the AJSK loan. That also the same procedure. You need to send a request to the support team and get the internship certificate from AJST Academy. Sorry, DigiKAS Academy, DigiKAS company. Is laptop PC compulsory for studying for course, or can I learn using? Yeah, definitely laptop and PC is mandatory for learning. Yes, see, you can watch the videos through mobiles, and when it comes to the review mediation, everything, definitely you have to connect with the laptop or PC, because the navigation is very, very important when you're doing the review meeting session. Definitely you need a good configuration of laptop or PC, like i3, i4, like good processor or good RAM. If you are suited, because you are going to watch the videos means it's going not track. So get the some good configuration of laptop or PC. Definitely it's required. Mobile you can watch the video, but the review meeting session and other things, definitely laptop is mandatory. I have 8 years of career after completion of the course. How can I Okay, here we can showcase so many profiles like from the starting from the Selva Guru, like 19 years or career gap 10 years. See, simple things. When you go for the company right now, I am talking about the Salesforce only. When it comes to the Salesforce job opportunity, the company in the entry point of view, what they are looking for is how much you are technically strong, how much you are technically going to balance for admin and development, how you are going to handle the project. These are the main things they are expecting from your side. So they are not thinking about whether you are from like 6 years, 10 years, 9-year career. They're not thinking about that. When you complete the training, when you after completion, as I suggested as before, if you have a career gap, means try to complete the course and try to do some real-time projects. Once you complete it, you just make your resume more weightages, then go for the direct interview. You don't want to hide anything about your previous career gap. You just go as it is. When it comes to the interview point of view, please showcase your technical skills. That is really matter. Based on your technical skills, they are going to provide the opportunity. That's the witness for the so many candidates who already placed in different company as a career gap candidate in AJST.
Okay, to answer the question regarding the career gap, you don't have to worry about career gap at all. Very recently, we have placed a candidate with 20 years of career gap, right? You can check the list of candidates who got trained and got placed from AJST in AJ Skill Development website. Go to the placement section and you can see the category. In this case, if you say career gap, go to career gap category. You can see the list of people with the career gap got placed. Take a look at that. 19 years, 15 years, 9 years, 8 years. You can very well check her profile, LinkedIn profile. You go and check Selva Guru's profile. She joined AJST 4 years back with the 19 years of career gap. Today, she got opportunity in Deloitte, right? So which means if you want to take a look at her profile, she has very well mentioned about the career gap as well. Okay. And if you look at the Suganya's LinkedIn profile, take a look at that. How did she mention? She mentioned, I'm having 14 years of career gap in the resume itself. She mentioned, I'm having career break in the LinkedIn profile itself. So which means nobody care about whether you are having career gap or not. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to keep fake experience and all that. You need to upskill yourself and you should be able to resolve the problem of the business. That's it. Okay, next question.
I have 10 years experience in Salesforce where I did not work on development much. I have 3 years of career gap. What type of guidance can I get looking for senior Salesforce developer role and will provide the placement? See, simple thing as we discussed earlier. If you don't have a much knowledge in development side, you better please be explore in development side, because I honestly say we are receiving so many of career guidance, career counseling calls. So from the company itself, who is working in the administration side, in the company itself, they are saying like, so we have a related to the developer project. You try to learn for the development side. Same scenario. So if you are not working development there, you have to explore more in development. You will get a definitely hands-on experience. Then you have, when it comes to the career gap, don't worry about that. Try to do some real-time projects in AJST. So because when go for the company interviews, the companies are mainly looking for the skilled candidates as well as admin. I'm talking about admin and development skilled candidates, as well as if you already have some real-time experience in projects, that is added advantages for you. So no worry about the career gap. A lot of things we discussed. Don't worry about the career gap. Definitely, once you clear the real-time projects and the development part and the real-time projects, you will definitely get a place in a good company as a senior developer.
Okay, Madhushri, you are asking about you are having a career gap and you already have a Salesforce experience. Just now I have showed you, right? There are people from non-IT background. There are people with huge career gap, 20 years, 10, 11 years, 15 years career gap are getting placed. So for you, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is refresh the topic and do some real-time projects now. Get a good hands-on. Basically, you need a confidence. That's it. End of the day, the one who hires you, you should show the learning attitude, and they should have a hope of, okay, if I hire Madhushri, she can work independent. She can deliver the project. If you can give that hope to the recruiter, you'll be hired. That's it. If you need this kind of confidence and support, that's what AJ is doing all these years. We are doing exclusive Salesforce training since 2018. I'm a Salesforce developer. I'm one who started my career in 2014, right? We are providing this only training, only Salesforce training all these years, and we are quite an expert in doing that. Don't worry. you are far better than rest of the people, you can easily get placed. All that you need to do is practice and do one full project. You can easily get placed.
Like offline classes, Saturday, Sunday, because I'm working on persons. Just before we discuss this one, we are planning to do for the weekend sessions for the live classes. So once we started, definitely we are going to intimate it through email as well as the WhatsApps. So if you are interested in that, you can enroll the course and please come to the classroom training for weekend, Saturday and Sundays.
Yes, we are going to start the weekend classes very soon. Please get in touch with our team. Whoever wants to enroll for our training program, visit AJ Skill Development website, or we'll be sharing our contact number to you all over email or WhatsApp soon after this session. So reach out to our team regarding anything related to the Salesforce enrollment, trial classes, demo classes. Definitely you can get help from our team. Visit ajskilldevelopment.com. Our phone numbers are displayed here. We'll also share our phone numbers in the chat. Make use of it. Soon, weekend sessions, offline sessions are going to happen in AJST. Thank you. Next question. Bro, what question read பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே சொல்லிடுங்க. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm having mechanical engineering degree. After joining this academy, can I get a job in Salesforce? I already have a good knowledge in admin development at LWC. Also, what is the fee detail? I just joined, sir. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So as we discussed earlier, somebody's already have a experience in Salesforce who already done the Salesforce training. So if you learn technically the admin and the HST development curriculum with hands-on experience, after that, as I suggested, most of the people try to do, if you have available time when you are going to approach the interview, try to do some real-time projects. If you're doing like that, definitely you will get a job. And the fee structure we already discussed. Based on individual, please select it. There is a two ways. One is for experienced candidate, another one is for the beginners. I think Hari showed for the 90 days, 120 days and 180 days. For individual, for experienced person who is willing to take some specific topic, like take an example, some people want to do LWC, or people want to do only integration, these kinds of things. So what you mentioned in that, in case if you don't have any much needed to improve in particular curriculum, means that also is separately enrolled, that we have a separate fee structure here. You please improve that. After that, try to complete some real-time projects. Definitely you will get a job opportunity, because you are from different background, from mechanical engineer. You already done a training and also a knowledge in admin and development with the LWC content. Definitely you will get it. You need to some hands-on, technically you have to be strong, and as well as some real-time projects will get you easily the job opportunity.
Thank you. Yes, as Prakash mentioned, those who are from non-IT background, visit AJ Skill Development website, go to placement section. Under, you can check your category. If you are from non-IT to IT, select non-IT to IT. You can see the list of people who are already from non-IT came to AJSD and got upskilled themselves and currently got their job opportunities. You can very well visit their LinkedIn profile. You're talking about mechanical engineer, right? So he is someone, Pandikumar, he is someone from hotel management. You can check his profile. And there are people from mechanical also. I think Muthukumar is from mechanical engineering background. So there are so many people from non-IT background, non-engineering background. Look at this. He's worked as a 3D artist, graphic designer, now joined here in a company. And he worked in and Pandikumar and all worked in hotel management. So you can see the list of people from the non-IT background who are all got placed here, their LinkedIn profiles. You can also very well connect with them in LinkedIn and you can check how it works. End of the day, whether you're IT, non-IT, fresher, doesn't matter for anybody. Whether if I give a laptop and I give you 20,000, 25,000 salary, whether you are able to develop Salesforce or not. If you have that skill, you're going to get recruited. That's it. So next question.
Available and become. Yes, we have both online and offline, both are available. So if you want to take the online training, yes, you can take for online training.
Okay, bro, what question படிச்சிருங்க. Okay, so next question.
Yes, okay. If the training is offline, when will the next batch? Okay, let me give you some clarity. When come to the classroom internship, So there is a 2 batches. So every batches we started 26th. So and 26th to next cycle 25th. So this is our calculation. So if you want to start the batch wise means every month 26 you can start it. In case if you missed out to start the batch means 26 means no worries. There is another mid batch also available. You can join on the mid batches every month 10th. So take an example. This month 26th June is going to start one batch. If you are missed to join on the batch, no worries. Within 10 days, there is another batch. Next July 10th, you can join on the mid batch. So there is the 2 batches is going on for the classroom trainees.
See, when it comes to our training, there is no batch concept. You can come and join anytime. If you are online, offline, no issues. Even if tomorrow you want to start your training, you can join because our is a on-demand training. When it comes to classroom internship, as Prakash mentioned, every month the batch starts from 26th. Every month we have a new batch start by 26th. Even at the worst case, you are not able to join on 26th. You can still join in between. Our team can assist you. Okay. I think we have answered all the questions which is put it in the chat finally. And I really appreciate there are people, 38 people still at the end. You are the one going to get the rewards for staying till at the end. So now we are going to conduct a quiz questions and Harish, you can share the link. Harish is going to share the link. Click that link and start participating in the quiz. For the quiz winners, we have a special rewards and we are going to announce it. Over to you, Harish.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm going to send the link in the Q&A. So you can just join the link and I will provide the code. So in that code, you can join and you can give your answer.
People who are joined, please give your name because it will take a random name. Please rename it to your name so that if we are going to give any rewards, we can give it to you. Kindly, the moment you receive the link, Harish has given a link. So kindly click that link. Harish, நீங்க அந்த உங்க ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணி quiz.com போயிடுங்க. நீங்க அந்த பின் நம்பர் ஷேர் பண்ணலாம் ஹரிஷ்.
Okay, okay.
People kindly put it in the chat whether you are able to access that link. If you find any difficulty, please put it in the chat. Just click that link. That is a quiz.com link. Or you can visit quiz.com. Harish on the website போயிடுங்க. Just visit quiz.com and you can give this code so that you can be part of this quiz. Go to quiz.com and give this pin code. The moment you joined, rename your name. That is really important. Only that we can give the rewards. So we're waiting for the people to join. Quiz cannot be loaded. Quiz cannot be loaded. Contact your administrators. Okay, looks like people started joining. Visit quiz.com. People, please visit quiz.com.
Harish, can you paste the link one more time in the chat? Can you paste the link one more time in the chat?
Sure.
Just going down, somebody is not able to find it.
Sure.
Even if you don't have a link, no worries. Just visit quiz.com. And the link share பண்ணுங்க Harish. Just quiz.com மட்டும் share பண்ணுங்க. Quiz.com அத மட்டும் share பண்ணுங்க. And let them join using the pin. அத மட்டும் share பண்ணுங்க. Visit quiz.com and join using the pin you see in the screen. Screen share பண்ணுங்க Harish. People, please rename it. There are 38 people இருக்கீங்க. எங்களை தவிர்த்து வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it must be 32. We will wait for all the 32 join. You are going to get the rewards for staying till at the end. Okay. If you are very serious about Salesforce as your career, if you are serious about career now, join this quiz, which is a free one only. Who are winning the quiz competition, you're all going to get the rewards from AJST. Please rename your space. Rename your name. Whoever joined, please rename it so that you can get the rewards. Only 60 people joined. Recording is available. Don't worry. Recording is available. 16 people join. We are waiting for others to join. Visit quiz.com and give this pin code. Do anybody find any difficulty? There is a person named Sir Man. Please change the name. Toilet woman, change the name. Lucky phone, change the name. If you are going to be the winner, you are not going to get the rewards if you are not going to change the name. 21 participants. We are waiting for a few more to join. 32. The overall people are 32. Go to quiz.com and enter this pin. Anybody finding difficulty? Please put it in the chat.
I'm not able to rename.
Okay, 21 people join, 21 people join, 22. Please rename it. For last 1 minute, we are going to start the game. Last 1 minute. We are waiting for others to join. Pin share பண்ணுங்க Harish. Pin is available in the screen. Visit quiz.com and enter this pin.
Once again, I can tell the pin 064278.
Okay, go to the quiz.com, Harish. We can, I think we are going to start the game. Yes, start the game, Harish.
I think people are joining.
So now only they are joining. Okay.
I think they kept phone somewhere and now they came to know
Rename,
that
rename
it
it.
started.
Rename everyone. Okay, start the game. Start the game.
Yes, sir.
We are starting the game. So everyone rename your and start answer the questions.
Shiva Prakash is leading.
Okay, the second question is அப்படியே கொஸ்டின்ல படிச்சிருங்க வர வர.
What is Salesforce online learning platform called?
அப்படியே கொஸ்டின் படிச்சிருங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லிடுங்க.
Okay, sure. So a company wants to track customer inquiries, follow sales in one place. Which solution would you? So the answer is CRM system. So
Shri, Kavish, Anusha, they are the leading three. Good, good, good.
company is not a Salesforce customer. Okay. So all the below companies are in Salesforce.
Now the changer, Shabam, Birappa, Shivani. Good.
What is a typical starting salary range for a Salesforce fresher in India? So it is 2.5 to 7 LPA. How many consecutive years has Salesforce has been ranked the world's #1 CRM platform? So they are dominating the industry for 13 years. So what percentage of Salesforce tasks can be often be done with clicks? So all the above we can use.
Now Shivani comes to first place.
Who is the founder of Salesforce? Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. So it is Mark Benioff.
What is the answer?
Mark Benioff.
Okay.
Which of the following is not a Salesforce product? It is Google Cloud. So what is the typical salary range for a professional with 4 years of experience? So it is around 12 LPA to 20 LPA. What is the meaning of SaaS? So software as a solution. Service. Which of the following industries use Salesforce? So it is all the above. So it is a final question. You may get like double reward in this question. So be ready for the question and you can gain bonus points.
Yes. And ATST team ரெடியா இருந்துங்க, photos எடுத்துங்க, video எடுத்துங்க. We are going to see the reward winners, the top 3 we'll see. Let's see the top 3 for the top 3. We should definitely appreciate all the participants who still stayed till the end. We started by 9 o'clock. Okay, the first 2, 3. Who are the first 2, 3? Let's see. The third place goes to Balamurugan. Very good, Balamurugan. Nice, nice. Second place goes to Aishu. Congratulations. The first place goes to Shivani. Congratulations, Shivani. And congratulations, Shivani, Ashok, Balamurugan. Let's see the 4th, 5th, and 6th person. Please take the screenshots, team. We are going to give the rewards for all the participants. We appreciate everyone who are all stayed till the end. We really appreciate your patience. The one thing I can definitely say, somebody who choosing Salesforce as a career, you should have the patience and perseverance. So here you go, the rewards for all the people who stay till the end. I'm sharing the rewards. Ninga stop panninga, screen stop panninga. So here you go, the rewards. Let me check. Okay. Okay, I'm not able to attach the file. Let me attach the files. Okay, AJST rewards. Still loading. Let me share my screen and show you the rewards. So for all the people who stayed till the end, the rewards is here. Here you go. For everyone who stayed till the end, the top 3 winners, kindly get in touch with our team. You can very well give your address to them. They are going to give you the AJSD t-shirt, and you are also going to get 2,000 as off for all the AJSD course. You enroll for any course, you are going to get 2,000 as off. The top 10 participants, from the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you are going to get the 1,500 off for the AJSD course. And all other participants who are participated in the quiz, we got the name list. You can also claim this reward for 1,000 off. All these are available till June 20th. So the top 3 winners, kindly get in touch with the team and collect your t-shirts. So just mail your address. Our team is going to send you the t-shirts for that. See, end of the day, apart from the rewards, I really appreciate everyone who stayed till the end. And also I thank the entire AJST team and DigiKAS. This is something we started by 9 o'clock. It's almost to 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 5 hours. So we appreciate the entire team and we really appreciate all the participants. I know that you still have questions about Salesforce career. Some of you want to enroll for the course. Some of you want to get the demo. Don't worry. Support. We are going to provide all the support. We have shared our contact number in the chat. We are also going to share it in our WhatsApp group or visit our website. You have options to reach us. Reach our team. Still, if you have any questions, we will do one-to-one guidance with you. If you're somebody you still want to have touch base with me, I'm also part of the WhatsApp group. On the group, I'm the one spamming the group with all the updates. You have my number. You can very well reach out me as well for all your queries. It's almost 2 o'clock. We are without further extending the session. We are closing this session and the recordings will be sent to you. Those who joined the session in between, right? Don't worry. The entire session recording, we are going to upload it in YouTube and we are going to share the link over email. Thank you so much for everyone for your patience, support, and I thank the entire AJST team, Harish, Prakash, Santosh, Venkat, the team who helps us at the back end for your support. Thank you, team. Thank you so much, and thank you, everyone, and have a good week ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, team.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.